Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Yeah. Please type in chat window, guys. All of you, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Am I audible? Yeah. Then questions box is there, guys. Then please type in questions box. Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Today is a demo class for Java. Don't worry. All right. Now just type in a questions box, please, all of you. All right. Good morning, guys. And the very first point I would like to say to you in Durga Soft, no formalities, no need to stand, no need to sit. When I come back, when I come out, right? The point is what? Just you can come to the class, you can attend the sessions. That's it. For example, when I come to the class, if you're standing all of a sudden, I'm scared by seeing that situation now. Right? For what purpose people are standing there? Are they coming to beat me or not? Hmm? No such kind of formalities. It's very clear. Right, sir. Just give a minute of time, then I will prepare some links and all the things to you. Just 1 minute. I'll prepare this. All right, sir. Just give a minute of time. I will talk everything. Before that, okay. Please, all of you, please take this link details, no, at least image or maybe on your notes. I'll explain it. What's the purpose of this? https://tinyurl.com/core-java 7am notes. https://tinyurl.com/core-java 7am notes. Take this. Okay. See, the purpose of this particular URL is every day I'm going to prepare notes inside the class. The very good document you are able to get inside the class. Everyday classroom notes we are able to get through this link only. Just very simple. Copy this URL in your browser, or else maybe in a drive. It's a drive access actually. In a drive, if I copy this link there, open this link through drive, then automatically we are able to see these notes 24/7. Understand it now? Classroom notes is a bible for us. Understand it? Everything I'm going to keep inside this classroom notes, even though my explanations, diagrams, then programs, then everything what I am doing inside the class, everything will be available inside this document. But when it is available for you, now just now I type out this content here. At least if you try for this in our mobile now, immediately you are able to see this as it is the status, same content. Within seconds after writing my content, if I refresh that browser or if I refresh the drive, automatically you are able to get this page. Better if you want to watch these notes in our mobile phone, better to install the drive. I think by default the drive is available. If it is not available, that means not drive, Google Docs, better to install that Google Docs app. If it is not available, then try to install it. I think so it is available by default in our mobile phone. Through that Google Docs, if you open it now, it will be simple to watch this total notes. Every day notes is coming in this particular link. Okay, clear? This is the point here what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. The next one is 1 minute. Just give a minute of time. I will talk with you. Right, sir. Just take this number also. Take this number also, everybody. Yeah. Take this number, mobile number. Of course, it is available in the document. I given this. All right, right, Max. This is like what there, WhatsApp number, as well as we can call it single point of contact for my classes. About my classes in Durga Soft, every faculty they are maintaining an individual number for the sake of giving information there. For every faculty, a separate number is going to be maintained. Of course, then the point what I'm telling here about my classes. If you want to get any details at any point of time about my classes there, this is the contact number. Just it is a WhatsApp number. Where multiple advantages we are able to get through this. What I'm telling there, we are providing videos support for every student. Video support in the sense, now the class is going on. This class is being recorded. After completion of this class, within 1 hour, video will be shared to every student. That videos link and everything our admin people will send to you so that you can contact with them. For example, if you are not getting videos access, to whom we have to contact? Every time you are unable to come to our office there, every time you are unable to talk with our admin people, right? Of course, there also mobile numbers are available. But about my classes, the single point of contact for videos maybe, for material maybe, for this class related information, no, this is a single point of contact. Directly we can talk with these people about my classes. Okay, now this is one thing. So we can save this name, save this mobile number in our mobile phones. Directly we can save this one with my classes, right, sir. Everything about my classes here we can understand. That's okay, fine. Next one is 1 minute. I'll give one more quote. This is also required for us. Please, all of you, take this quote. Everybody, take this quote. Notes. Of course, in the same link, same document, I maintained this, but anyway, take this quote. UG7IHLXL. UG7IHLXL. Taken? At least write this on your notes better. Everybody, take this quote. Taken? Simple thing what I'm telling to you. If you have taken the classroom notes link, if you open it, there every details I provided there, then at least from there we can copy this. Fine. Taken, all of you? All right, sir. Now, just give a minute of time. No, that's okay. Fine. No problem. Yeah. Later I will change it. This title I need to change actually. Yeah. Full stack Java 7 and 8:30. Save it. All right. Now, all of you understand it. What is the purpose of taking this particular Google Classroom code? What is the need of it? In the case, if I want to communicate with you directly, all of a sudden, if I want to send any message to you, or if I have any articles in Java, if I find any good resource in Java, I want to share with you on immediately. If it is not available, what is my process there? I have to talk with my admin people. That means third person must involve in this communication. I have to talk with my admin people. I have to send that resource to my admin people. They have to send that resource as a mail to you. It's a lengthy process. No, I don't like this much of delay. Directly, I want to talk with you. Direct communication I want to provide. If I give a post, within fraction of second, that post must be available to you as a direct information. For example, I went to the I may go to some other place there. The next day class, morning 7 o'clock class. I'm unable to come to this class. And before 7 o'clock, our admin people are also not available in our office there. Why? Because 7 onwards their working time. But I want to pass some message to you. Today might be I may come to the class a bit delay. Today class is not going to be happen. Just at least I need to give some information there. So direct communication is required. That's why I'm using this Google Classroom app, a separate app I'm using there. Right. For this, one step here is required here. I'll give some directions to try to follow this direction so we are able to get direct communication, right? Please, all of you open your mobile phones for a minute of time. All of you are having soft phone, that means the smartphones, right? Just for a minute of time, open your mobile phones and make ready with internet. Try to open internet also. Okay. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store where search for Classroom. App name is what? Classroom. Go to the Play Store where search for app Classroom. App name is what there? Classroom. Okay. App name is what there? Classroom or else Google Classroom. Classroom or Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Yeah. Please type in chat window, guys. All of you, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Am I audible? Yeah. Then questions box is there, guys. Then please type in questions box. Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Today is a demo class for Java. Don't worry. All right. Now just type in a questions box, please, all of you. All right. Good morning, guys. And the very first point I would like to say to you in Durga Soft, no formalities, no need to stand, no need to sit. When I come back, when I come out, right? The point is what? Just you can come to the class, you can attend the sessions. That's it. For example, when I come to the class, if you're standing all of a sudden, I'm scared by seeing that situation. No, right? For what purpose people are standing there? Are they coming to beat me or not? Hmm? No such kind of formalities. It's very clear. Right, sir. Just give a minute of time. Then I will prepare some links and all the things to you. Just 1 minute. I'll prepare this. All right, sir. Just give a minute of time. I will talk everything. Before that, okay. Please, all of you, please take this link details, no, at least image or maybe on your notes. I'll explain it. What's the purpose of this? https://tinyurl.com/core java 7am notes. https://tinyurl.com/core java 7am notes. Take this. Okay. See, the purpose of this particular URL is every day I'm going to prepare notes inside the class. The very good document you are able to get inside the class. Everyday classroom notes we are able to get through this link only. Just very simple. Copy this URL in your browser, or else maybe in a drive. It's a drive access actually. In a drive, if you copy this link there, open this link through drive, then automatically we are able to see these notes 24/7. Understand it now? Classroom notes is a Bible for us. Understand it? Everything I'm going to keep inside this classroom notes. Even though my explanations, diagrams, then programs, then everything what I am doing inside the class, everything will be available inside this document. But when it is available for you, now just now I type out this content here. At least if you try for this in our mobile now, immediately you are able to see this as is the status, same content. Within seconds after writing my content, if I refresh that browser or if I refresh the drive, automatically you are able to get this page. Better if you want to watch these notes in our mobile phone, better to install the drive. I think by default the drive is available. If it is not available, that means not drive, Google Docs, better to install that Google Docs app. If it is not available, then try to install it. I think so it is available by default in our mobile phone. Through that Google Docs, if you open it now, it will be simple to watch this total notes. Every day notes is coming in this particular link. Okay, clear? This is the point here what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. The next one is 1 minute. Just give a minute of time. I will talk with you. Right, sir. Just take this number also. Take this number also, everybody. Yeah. Take this number, mobile number. Of course, it is available in the document. I given this. All right, right, Max. This is like what there, WhatsApp number, as well as we can call it single point of contact for my classes. About my classes in Durga Soft, every faculty they're maintaining an individual number for the sake of giving information there. For every faculty, a separate number is going to be maintained. Of course, then the point what I'm telling here about my classes. If you want to get any details at any point of time about my classes there, this is the contact number. Just it is a WhatsApp number. Where multiple advantages we are able to get through this. What I'm telling there, we are providing videos support for every student. Video support in the sense, now the class is going on. This class is being recorded. After completion of this class, within 1 hour, video will be shared to every student. That videos link and everything our admin people will send to you so that you can contact with them. For example, if you are not getting videos access, to whom we have to contact? Every time you are unable to come to our office there, every time we are unable to talk with our admin people, right? Of course, there also mobile numbers are available. But about my classes, the single point of contact for videos maybe, for material maybe, for this class related information, no, this is a single point of contact. Directly, we can talk with these people about my classes. Okay, now this is one thing. So we can save this name, save this mobile number in our mobile phones. Directly, we can save this one with my classes, right, sir. Everything about my classes here we can understand. That's okay, fine. Next one is 1 minute. I'll give one more quote. This is also required for us. Please, all of you, take this quote. Everybody, take this quote. Notes. Of course, in the same link, same document, I maintained this, but anyway, take this quote. UG7IHLXL. UG7IHLXL. Taken? At least write this on your notes better. Everybody, take this quote. Taken? Simple thing what I'm telling to you. If you have taken the classroom notes link, if you open it, there every details I provided there, then at least from there we can copy this. Fine. Taken, all of you? All right, sir. Now, just give a minute of time. No, that's okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, later I will change it. This title I need to change actually. Yeah, full stack Java 7 and 8:30. Save it. All right, now all of you understand it. What is the purpose of taking this particular Google Classroom code? What is the need of it? In the case, if I want to communicate with you directly, all of a sudden, if I want to send any message to you, or if I have any articles in Java, if I find any good resources in Java, I want to share with you on immediately. If it is not available, what is my process there? I have to talk with my admin people. That means third person must involve in this communication. I have to talk with my admin people. I have to send that resource to my admin people. They have to send that resource as a mail to you. It's a lengthy process. No, I don't like this much of delay. Directly, I want to talk with you. Direct communication I want to provide. If I give a post, within fraction of second, that post must be available to you as a direct information. For example, I went to the I may go to some other place there. The next day class, morning 7 o'clock class, I'm unable to come to this class. And before 7 o'clock, our admin people are also not available in our office there. Why? Because 7 onwards their working time. But I want to pass some message to you. Today might be I may come to the class a bit delay, or today class is not going to be happen. Just at least I need to give some information there. So direct communication is required. That's why I'm using this Google Classroom app, a separate app I'm using there. Right. For this, one step here is required here. I'll give some directions to you know, try to follow this direction so we are able to get direct communication, right? Please all of you open your mobile phones for a minute of time. All of you are having soft phone, that means smartphones, right? Just for a minute of time, open your mobile phones and make ready with internet. Try to open internet also. Okay, go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Where search for Classroom. App name is what? Classroom. Go to the Play Store. Where search for app Classroom. App name is what there? Classroom. Okay. App name is what there? Classroom, or else Google Classroom. Classroom or Google Classroom, both are same. Search for it. Find it, install it. I'll wait 2 minutes of time, just install it. In the Play Store, search for Classroom or Google Classroom. Search for it. Okay. Install it. Just I'll wait 2 minutes of time for you. It may take hardly 2 minutes of time, then less memory only. Don't think too much memory. All right, sir. When we install it, it is asking about like what their Google Classroom code, just or else maybe. Then we may have two options: create class or join class. You may get join class option there. Have you seen that join class option? Okay. Have you find anywhere else join class option? Plus symbol or something else there, we may identify it. What symbol you got there? Plus symbol. Just click on plus symbol. You may get plus symbol after installation of the tab. Plus a symbol. There, select join class option. When you select this join class option, it is asking classroom code. When you select the join class option, it is asking what their classroom code. Enter the same classroom code what we have copied. Enter the same classroom code what we have copied previously. Okay. Yes, sir. So just install classroom, where click on plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, join classroom option will come. Just try to click on it. There, enter this classroom code. Yes, sir. Join classroom code option we are able to get. Yes, complete it. All right, sir. Now there, you might be seeing that today might be yesterday night I given some posts. I think all of you might be aware about it, right? All right, or else maybe. See, observe carefully. Just we can close it. Those who installed it, just we can close it. Yes, sir. I think all of you might be installed it and all of you might be joined with that Google Classroom, right? Can I move forward? Can I move forward? Just 1 minute, close the tab. You can close the tab, but maintain that mobile phone. Just you can close the tab. I'll give the importance of this particular one. You can close the tab. Have you closed it? After entering this Google Classroom there, if you enter this, obviously, automatically you're going to join with that class. Just after joining with that class, just close the tab. Okay. All of you closed it? Right. Now say this. If we close this app, just I'm sending one welcome message. They enable your notifications also better. I'm going to give some welcome message there. We can check it whether you have received it or not. All right, sir. Welcome to Durga Soft. Some message can have given, just simple message. Just I have given post. Yeah, from my side I submitted it. Just please check it. Within seconds, within fraction of seconds, you are able to get it. Have you got any notification? Internet connection is required. Yes, sir. No? Just wait. 1 minute of time. Enable notifications for this also. And if you're getting it, notifications, what's it? No classroom is existed. Arey yaar. All of you are getting the same message? No classroom. All of you are getting the same message. Okay. This classroom is full already. Okay, fine. Yeah, don't worry. Just okay. Then the same thing. Don't worry. Then I'll give some other classroom. Then through that we can join with it. Just 1 minute of time. Just give a minute of time. I'll create it. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I'll create separately. Don't worry. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, take this code now, this time. I think that classroom, existed classroom, I want to give it. I think so it was full. Now try to take this one. Try to take this one. Yeah, it's okay. For to whom it is worked there, it's okay, nice. Otherwise, then try to take even this one also. All of you know, try to take this one also. Separate like created this one for you. Don't worry. Try to take even this one also. Okay. I think for some of it, it's okay. It is available. It is coming there previously. Now, I think with this code also here, we can use it. This one also here I'm providing to you. Yes, sir. Got it? So have you opened it? All right. Yeah, then both we can use their previous one and this one also we can use it. Now I'm telling to you, welcome to Durga Shops again. Just I created this post. Just close the tab, then or maybe open the tab, then we are able to get that direct notification about this. Yeah, then all of you better to use this app, this classroom, so I can send my information. That means my messages to you whenever I want to give some messages or maybe something else, some immediate messages or maybe some articles or something else, direct communication from my side. Right, sir? Just refresh it if you are not received that message. I've got this message there, notification. I've got this notification. Then use this classroom code. Now, okay, I want to use this classroom code there in our document. No to worry for it. Yeah, now here I'm going to provide this classroom. Yeah, TWH7EDU. Okay, clear? Can I move forward? So these are the formalities what we required about our classes and about our whatever might be then. Then this first link is for what purpose there? Daily classroom notes. Second number is for the sake of single point of contact about my classes there. Any information about my classes we can get through this one. Just we can WhatsApp it. Then any information they're able to provide to you. And Google Classroom code. If I want to talk with you directly, then we can get this one again. This is a Google Classroom code there. Then everybody we have to maintain this communication. Okay, fine. Leave this part here. Now, today, now coming to the content again. Just give a minute of time again. I'll start our demonstration today. All right, 1 minute. One minute. Right, sir. So now I would like to give some details with you regarding these courses, what courses we are going to be offered, what exactly like what advantages of joining for this courses here. Just the 5 minutes of time I'll talk with it, then after that I'll start our Java introduction content. Okay, now see this information clearly. If we come for these advantages of these courses, first of all let me explain all the advantages, then after that what courses we are going to be offered, then I'll give some explanation for you. Advantages, if you observe this, yeah, then this is the first advantage here I'm telling to you. All my classes live video recordings will be provided for up to 1 year of time, will be provided even more than 1 year of time. provided for more than 1 year of time. See, this is the main advantage what you are able to get from Durga Soft. So for example, if you take full stack Java course there, inside this full stack Java, nearly 14 subjects here we are having. We have to deal nearly 14 subjects. All 14 subjects videos will be provided. Videos will be provided more than 1 year of time. 1 year is like what their official boundary, but more than that also we are able to get it. This is very good advantage we are providing for both offline and as well as what their online students. Please recognize this. We are providing this video support. What advantages here we are able to get? Say for example, if this video support is not available for a moment, understand it. If this video support is not available, what is going to be happen? I'm going to take the classes regularly. All of a sudden, on any one particular day, if you are unable to attend the class, due to some reasons, you are unable to attend the class, but you want to come for the next class. Unfortunately, in Java, what is going to be happen? Every class is a linked class. Next class is dependent on what? Previous class. Okay, yesterday's class you absent, you are not attended there. Today's class you want to attend. Now directly you are coming to the today's class, but unfortunately, today's class is entirely dependent on what their yesterday's class. How we are able to understand the content in today's class? No, as you are not having awareness on yesterday's class, how it is possible to attend the class in today? Definitely it is a confusion. One or two classes, if you are getting confusion, the remaining part of the Java is becoming as what there, the total confusion. So this problem is going on. To resolve this problem, from my side, what I am giving there, if I give these videos option to all the students there, if they are missing any one or two classes to attend for the next class, to continue with the next class, they might be preparing the content from these videos. Moreover, we are going to provide these videos immediately after, within 1 hour of the class. After completion of the class, within 1 hour, we are able to get that video, that day video we are able to get. So 365 days, 24/7, that videos are available for you. There we can access it and we can watch it. Understand it clearly. So we can continue with the class. Point number one. For example, the second thing, you joined for the courses care. You joined for the courses care. You are attending the classes. Unexpectedly, because of your college matter or maybe because of your home family matter, whatever it may be, you want to go outside of the class. That means hide a batch. You have to go for your hometown for the sake of maybe 20 days of time. You want to go to your hometown. You are unable to attend the classes. Then what is the situation there? But how you are going to continue these classes? How it is possible for you? So if I give this video support there, at least after completion of this class, within 1 hour, we are able to get that videos classes there, so that what I am telling now, we can continue that class with this video support. RS maybe you don't want to come back to Hyderabad, but you want to complete this course. Why? Because career is more important when compared with all other things. At present, your status is what there. You need to get job. Your career is important. So, but unfortunately, because of some other issues, no, we have to go outside of Hyderabad there. Permanently, we have to move outside of the Hyderabad. Then how can you continue your classes there? So if I give that video support there, at least through that videos, we are able to complete your course. So whatever it may be, at any cost, your course is going to be completed. Your course is going to be completed without having any delay. As long as I'm taking these classes there, then up to the time, automatically we are going to attend the classes through videos. So we are able to complete the courses. Or else maybe maximum in my classes, 99% of the people are going to understand the content very clearly. Whatever the concepts I'm going to discuss there inside the classes, no, 99% of the people, they are going to understand the concepts in a clear manner. I don't have any ego problems. I can repeat any number of times. And each and every point I will check your faces. If I get confirmation from your faces, then I will move forward. Otherwise, I'll repeat the content again and again. Maybe in some situations, 5 times, 6 times, 10 times also be required to repeat. I don't have any problem. I can repeat it. By that, 99% of the people can understand each and every point in a very clear manner. No confusions. But still, that 1% of the people are available. They want to understand the content once again. They want to listen the class once again. If this video support is available, when you reach to your home, then open that video. There we can watch that content. Then you can get the complete clarity. Any number of times we can watch that video. Once we are providing video, 24/7. Even night time also we can open it and we can watch that video. So that many number of advantages here we are able to get. So that point is what Durgasoft is giving surety or guarantee for you is what there at any cost. Once you join with Durgasoft, your course must be completed. That's clear cut option here. What I'm telling there. That is one of the point now. And about my classes, in the point of advantage to the students, I'm going to give one more facility. What is that facility there? Okay, sir, video support is available. Then we are able to utilize that video support and everything is okay, fine. But your class, live class, I want to attend one more time. Another batch also, I want to attend one more time. If you have any such kind of thought, I don't have any problem. We can come and attend my classes there. But this option I'm able to provide in offline, not in online, but in offline, we can attend any number of times my classes. Or maybe online people also, if you're requested for it, it's okay, well and good, then we will accept it. But we need to take the prior permission for it. Then I don't have any problem. You can attend any number of my batches. But other faculty classes, in a sense, I'm not giving any assurance for it. But up to my classes there, this batch, maybe on 17th of this month, maybe at 4:30, I'm going to start another new full stack Java batch. That one also I want to attend, sir. I don't have any problem. Come and sit inside the class. But your understanding is important. Your patience level, our understanding is important. At any cost, you have to get my total information. Up to my classes, repeatedly, you can attend my class there. I don't have any problem there. Why? Because you're coming here to understand the content. I'm coming here to teach the content completely for you. I need to inject the content. If you're unable to get the total information, might be 10% of the content is not understandable to you. That's okay, well and good. Come and attend for the other class also. Yes, guys, all of you are getting it, what I'm telling to you. Okay, fine. All right, so now this is the main advantage what we are able to get from Durgasoft. That means totally we are thinking in the point of the students' benefit. Observe carefully. Next one is all my classes materials will be provided to you. Soft copy and hard copy both are available. Soft copy will be provided for both all students, offline and as well as what they're online. I said to you already, we are going to provide some video support now. Through Google Drive, we are going to send that videos to you. The location where we are going to upload videos, there only we can identify my course soft copy material. Now today, Core Java demo class I'm planning there. Core Java soft copy material, you are able to get in the same location from where we are able to get that videos access. Through Google Drive, we are going to submit it. But today I've given that link and everything only for my classroom running notes. But official videos link we are able to get after registration with the courses now. There we are able to get what there, the classroom notes and everything. That soft copy we can download it. We can keep that soft copy in our systems, no problem. Understand my point clear? But videos are not downloadable. But more than 1 year of time we are going to give access to you. That we can check it. But material is downloadable. Just we can download that material. We can keep that material in our system hard disk. Okay, fine. All right, sir. But hard copy material, I think it's not possible for online students. It is possible for offline students. We can go there. We can go to that office there. There we can check it. Then hard copy is chargeable. Xerox cost, our admin people are going to collect it. Now, just we can talk with our admin people there. There we are able to, our people will give more clarity on it. Okay. All right, sir. Yeah, already given some formalities today regarding this free access to the classroom notes. For classroom notes, we are going to provide what there free access so that we can access it. Free access to the classroom applications. Yeah, this is one of the points. I'm going to type the programs inside the class now. That the program length may be anything, maybe 5 lines or maybe 10 lines or maybe 1,000 lines. That doesn't matter. As it is, that entire program access will be provided to you through the same document. Whatever the document I've opened now, in the document, I'm going to give that application, total application copy and paste I will provide to you, so that we can collect that application also. We can check that application also now. So classroom notes will be provided. Along with the classroom notes, we are able to get access for what their classroom applications also. See, whatever the work I'm doing inside my computer, that everything will be provided to you. Classroom notes maybe, classroom applications maybe, everything will be provided to you. That will be more benefit to you about our content here. All right, sir. Next one is what there. This is important. Every application is going on. Every application is going on through live application development. What is the meaning of this live application development now? Observe carefully. Now I'm teaching Java. Java is not a theoretical subject. Java contains both theory and as well as what their applications. Programmatic, mainly programmatic thing. Understand it clearly. Application development is going on, but how I'm going to prepare these applications? No, live application development. Requirements I will take in front of you. That requirement analysis I will discuss with you in front of you. After that, I will prepare the program in front of you. Everything I'm going to type inside the class. That maybe that application length may be anything. If you come to my advanced Java classes, some applications I'm going to take continuously 4 days of time, only application development. Many projects I will take there inside the classes. No, that projects I'm going to prepare inside the classes continuously 4 days of time, only coding part, typing. Every module, one day one module, one day one module, one day one module. Like this, I will divide it. I'll finish that modules in our classes there. So definitely application development is going on. That means in front of you, I will prepare the applications. In front of you, I will compile the programs. Damn sure, number of compilation errors will come. But there I will explain to you how to come out from the compilation errors. The way of learning should be different here. You are in some situations, you are going to learn the subject from compilation errors also. So I will generate intentional, I will generate the errors. Intentional, I will explain the errors. I will provide solutions how to come out from these errors. Understand my point, Ken? Most of the people are creating for programming languages because of this problem only. When they write the program, when they compile the program, they're able to get 100 errors. By seeing that 100 number of errors, no, they scrape it. Directly they'll come outside of the programming language. They'll think of it. Programming languages are not suitable to us. But here I will provide solution. What solution I'm able to provide there? Only the problem is what there? You got errors, but we don't know how to resolve the errors. But if you know how to resolve the errors, no, it will be very simple. With your own hands, if you resolve the errors, no, you will get very good confidence. By the time you will get more interest towards the subject, then we will not leave Java. Most of the people are leaving Java because of this reason only. When they write the program, they got errors. By seeing that errors, they are leaving from Java programming language. That's the problem. But here we are going to provide solution. Moreover, I'm going to talk more. Already said to you, I'll compile the program inside the class. I will show number of errors. Moreover, in some situations, I will create errors intentionally. There I will discuss with you why this error is coming, what problem we have done to get this error. Okay, if you are getting this error, what is the solution for it? What we have to do? This kind of analysis you are going to get right from first class. Right from first class, this kind of orientation we are able to get. Then at the end of the story, you will get very good confidence level. With this knowledge, if you go to the company, in the company, your development may be very much fast. Why? Because whenever we are getting error, directly you can resolve that errors. Even in the companies also, most of the developers are stuck at some locations with its errors only. But they're unable to resolve the errors. But if you're in a position to resolve the errors, no, definitely you are going to get very good knowledge on Java. That's the main point here. Right, sir. After that, I will execute the programs in front of you. Multiple executions I will provide there. In the execution of the program, if you are getting any exception, again the same story. I will show to you how to get an exception, how to resolve this exception. For what purpose this exception is coming there. Every point I will discuss with you clearly. By that you are able to get complete knowledge. Once again, I'm telling there, here in Durga Sabch, I'm teaching Java to deliver the complete knowledge to the students. Even you should be ready to get the complete knowledge. It's not like half of the information there. No? The completeness is very, very important in our classes. Understand my point clearly, what I'm telling you. That's okay, fine. At the end of the classes, at the end of the course, everybody, you are able to get that course completion certificate. Durga Sabch is able to provide that course completion certificate. What courses you join here, for that courses, we are able to get the certificate clearly. Course completion certificate here, we are able to get. Yeah, this is another advantage what students we are able to get. In your colleges, like in our colleges, campus drives are going on. Am I right? The same process here we are going to follow up. We have some companies there. Already we are in touch with some companies there. So we are going to invite the companies to come here to conduct campus drives. Please remember this. Campus drives only. It's not the meaning of like what their job guarantee program and this kind of things. No. Yeah, later on I will talk about the job guarantee programs and all. Then, but first of all, what I'm telling then, we have some companies there. Just we are in touch with that companies there. then we are inviting the companies to come here to conduct the drives and to take the students from Durgasoft. Already number of students were selected through Durgasoft platform. But moreover, what I am telling there, this is one of the option what Durgasoft is providing. But Durgasoft is mainly focus on what their quality of content. With the quality of content what you are getting through Durgasoft, you will survive with that quality of content at anywhere else in the world. In any company you can survive. Understand my point clearly now? So majorly we are focusing on what the quality of subject. Along with that, we are going to invite some companies here to come here to take the placements now. So it is possible to select for the companies even through Durgasoft platform also. But now at present that the IT industry is in a bit dry situation. Understand my point here? At present that IT is in a dry season. I'm thinking about it maybe in the next March or April. Again, the situations will come back. Yeah, already that moment was just started. It may take up to March or April to get back the same situations in IT industry. Understand it? Already one or two companies are started their recruitment drives. I think might be yesterday also might be then somewhere else the drive was happened there. We got that notices no, but maybe it may take up to March or April. During the time, you have to improve your technical skills. By next March or April, again we are able to get that huge requirements in market. Now at present the dryness is going on there, but within even by the time of this March or April, then we are also having number of companies, number of campus drives here. Now. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you. All right, sir. Observe carefully here what I am telling there. No, no. Then one more thing I'm telling there. Through Durgasoft, we are going to conduct the drives for only fresher drives. Don't expect experienced drives. Coming to Amirpet and expecting that 3 years of experience to drives or 4 years of experience to drive is in a sense almost like a suicide case only. In Amirpet, every institute they are able to provide drives for only what? Freshers only. For example, if I conduct any 5 years of experienced person drives there, that will be like what their fake experience only. By default, we can think of it. No, don't think about in Durgasoft some experienced drives. That means experienced persons drives are not going to be happen. Freshers drives only. If we conduct any company drive here, that is meant for what their freshers only, not for experienced people there. But if company people are expecting any this kind of information there, we will pass that message. We will send that links to you. Through that links we can contact with them. But by default here we are conducting drives for what there for freshers drives. Understand it clearly. And apart from this, one more point I am telling to you. On each and every topic, we are going to conduct some written tests for the sake of the students' evaluation. For the sake of checking your status on that particular topic, we are going to conduct a written test on each and every topic. It's mandatory for everybody. What subject you learn on a particular topic that they have to check. So we are going to conduct a written test. The test will be provided for both the offline and as well as what there for online students. So we are going to take the test from you. We are going to collect your answer sheets. We are going to evaluate it. We are going to display marks even in our notice board also. But the funny thing, what happened there in the last batch, no, all the class students came to me. They requested to me, sir, you can conduct the test. It's very good. Then it's helped a lot to us to understand where we are. But don't display that marks on notice board, sir. They requested to me. But here my intention is what? Conducting test is my main responsibility. Displaying that marks or not display that marks on the notice boards is a secondary. Understand? First, basically, you are not kids, right? You know already your responsibilities now. But I need to provide a path to test yourself. That path I'm able to provide. Later on, display that marks on notice boards or not display marks on notice boards. If it comes this side, close. I think birds are also interested for Java today. Open the door. Open the door. It will go outside. Yeah. Now, come. I. Just switch off the fans. 2 minutes. Come, Ken. Switch off the fans. 2 minutes. Switch off the fans. Then backside. Arey yaar. Okay. backside fan. 2 minutes. Okay, now let's move to the point here. They are interested on Java, I think so. That's why she is not coming outside. She is not going outside, right? Okay, fine. Let's move to the punch here. It's okay. Let it listen, right? So the concepts wise, we are providing the written test. Everybody, it will be very good environment from Durga Shops. We are going to conduct what the written test concepts wise. For example, today if I complete one topic, next day you are going to have an exam by default. So you must attend for it. Attendance is mandatory, but paper evaluation is depending on your view. Of course, if we are getting question paper, we can check it by checking the document and by uh, executing some programs in our system there. There we can evaluate it, how many marks you are getting there. Otherwise, I will evaluate. But of course, I will share that key with you. I will keep that key, question paper key on the notice board. We can take that key, we can correct it. How much you are getting it. Otherwise, I'll display that marks also in the notice board. If you are interested, I can give some prizes also for the first person. First person in the sense, those who are getting highest marks. Yeah, the type of environment we have already. Then we are able to follow up it. Leave it. Next one is what there. At the end of the courses, I have a plan for it. At the end of the courses, I'm ready to conduct mock interviews. You know already what is the meaning of this mock interview. Okay. Then how much you are in the subject. Myself, I'm going to conduct the mock interview, and then myself, I'm going to test your knowledge. If the number of students are more, then some of my friends are already working with the companies. They are in almost a CEO level or manager level. I can call them, then they will take interview for you. They will give some tips also. If you're lack with some particular area, they'll give immediately that information to you. In this area, you have to improve yourself. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you. So what at any cost, you should be ready for the interviews. You must be ready for the interviews with your subject. So that is that environment here, what you are preparing clearly. All right, then it's okay, fine. Then remaining few more points are technical points only. Working with multiple databases. In general, in the courses, for example, Advanced Java is there. JDBC is a course. Java database connectivity. Interacting with the database from Java application. In general, most of the trainers, they're going to use only one database. It's not like that. In our classes, I'm going to use multiple databases. Of course, Oracle course is available. That is a different story. In Java, we are going to connect with the databases. With how many databases we are going to connect? In general, people are showing only one database. It's not like that. In my classes, I'm going to work with the multiple databases. In some applications are available with me to connect with more than one database. Single Java program. At one side, I have to connect with Oracle. At other side, I have to connect with the MySQL. I need to fetch the data from Oracle. I have to send the same data to what the MySQL. So this kind of environments we are going to see there. So that's why I said to you, working with multiple databases from the single applications, or maybe in a JDBC. Not only in JDBC, multiple courses now. Working with multiple servers. Say for example, in advanced Java, servlets is a topic. Server-side programming. How to deploy the applications in Tomcat server. How to deploy the applications in WebLogic server. How to deploy the applications in Wildfly and Glassfish. These many servers here we are going to work. If we are having knowledge on one server, we can work with all the servers. But still in our classes, we are going to use multiple servers. How to work with multiple servers. In general, in outside, people are going to show with only one server, Tomcat server. But it's not the case here. We are going to work with the well-known servers, Mac servers now. All right, then another thing here. Working with the multiple IDEs now. This is important. In Amirpet, that means in a training centers, what is going to be happen? They're going to prepare the programming with Notepad and Edit Plus now. But in the companies, it is not going on. In the companies, working is going on with the IDEs only. Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ IDEA, then we have to use some IDEs for the sake of simplify the development part. Otherwise, it may take a lot of time to complete our application. That IDs are mandatory to use in our real-time applications inside the companies now. So here, right from first application onwards, we are going to work with what there? We are going to work with the IDs only. Understand it clear? How to work with IDE, we are going to discuss inside the classes now. So in my classes, majorly two IDs are going on there. One is Eclipse and second one is what there? IntelliJ IDEA. Right from first application onwards, I'm going to show how to work with what there? IDEs parts here. Maybe for the first applications point of view, one or two programs point of view, I may use that what there Edit Plus, but maximum we are going to work with what there IDEs part only. Right, sir? NetBeans is available, but not immediately. I will use that NetBeans at frameworks level. Why? Because NetBeans minimum it required what there Maven. Maven real-time tool is required. I'm going to cover that Maven at what time here in a frameworks level, not at core Java, not at advanced Java. So later on we'll think about it. All right, so next one is what there. Interview questions will be covered part of the course only. For example, today I started one particular topic there. When I complete this topic at the end of the class, I'm going to give the clarity for you in this particular topic, what questions we are able to get. What are the answers for this particular question? On every topic, minimum 5 to 6 interview questions are coming there. All together at the end of the course, if you see that nearly 70 to 80 or 80 to 100 number of interview questions we are able to get, they are damn sure questions. With that questions and answers knowledge, if you go to any interviewer will ask questions on this list only, from this particular list only. I'm sure about it, 99% of the questions you are going to answer for that interviewer questions. That interviewers have to ask the questions in Java, but max Java we are discussing here. Right? Definitely, every question will be covered from your knowledge only. 100% you are able to, 100% you are able to answer for that interviewer questions at the end of the story. So that will be covered part of the course. Not only here, inside the document I will write question and answer. After giving explanation for that question and answer, I'll keep that this is a question and this is the answer. That question and answer is available in our document, written document. There we can see that. Then we are able to get advantage here. All right, that's fine. Which version we are able to cover? Yeah, I'm giving clarity. Still at present in outside market, Java 8, Java 9 is going on there in some companies there. But now just movement has taken there for the companies. The companies have taken the movement to migrate from Java 8 and Java 9 to Java 17. Right, whatever it may be, whatever the version that software industry is using, that doesn't matter to me. I need to cover up to the latest version of the Java. My reference is what there, Oracle Corporation. Why? Because it has given the Java version, latest versions are provided by Oracle Corporation. My reference is that was. What version that used by companies, that doesn't matter for me. I must use what that up to the latest version, what Sun Microsystems or Oracle Corporation has introduced it to us. Up to that latest version here. At present, I thought of it, might be a few days back I checked it. 20th version is the latest version. In the case if 21st version is available inside the market now, I will discuss even up to the 21st version also. For me, it's a matter of one day to update the new version there. Definitely, we are going to see that up to the latest versions inside the content clearly. Sir, all of you are getting clarity or not in this particular point now? Right, sir. Good. So these are the various advantages we are getting. All these advantages are available inside the document. Just we can identify this clearly. All right, sir. Now just I want to give one more information. Just demo information. I'm showing the slides there. But in the content wise, we are going to type the content every point here. But once if I start real Java, I'll show that how we are going to prepare this. But content wise, I'm showing there. Today only we are going to discuss all formalities there. Then if time is possible, today also I will start directly the introduction of the Java. But try to understand it now. At least one time we have to talk about all these formalities. All right, sir. What Durgasoft is giving courses? What courses here we offered in behalf of Durgasoft? So nearly with respect to Java, 4 type of batches here we are providing. Today is a demo class for all 4 batches. Think of it, today is a demo class for core Java. Core Java is a common in all 4 batches. Understand it clearly. So take any batch, take any like what their course there, but today onwards we have to attend the courses now. But what are the various batches here we are offering from Durgasoft now? Batch 1 only core Java. Batch 1 only core Java. If you want to take, it's okay, well and good. That depends on your option. Batch 2 basic Java package. In basic Java package, nearly 4 courses are going to be available: core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. In basic UI, what classes, what subjects we are going to be cover? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. Up to this 5 courses: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. These 5 subjects are going to be covered inside like what their basic UI part. Understand it clearly. Next one is complete Java package. Is majorly we are focusing on only Java content other than the other content here. Just mainly we focus on what the Java content in this complete Java package, where nearly 9 courses are going to be happen. Core Java, advanced Java, frameworks will come here: Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. These many things are covered with respect to the Java. Oracle and basic UI again given. Okay, now this is complete Java package. Next one is what there after that, batch for full stack Java, full stack Java. Yeah, this is trending nowadays in outside. This is trending, and every company nowadays is looking for full stack Java developer. But directly we are interested to conduct this batch actually, but because of the people advantage, we have provided these many courses. But actual course in outside and as well as inside the Durga shop, even more number of students are joined for which course, in the sense full stack Java development. Nowadays it is getting very demand in outside. Every company is looking for full stack Java developer. Right, what is going to be happen inside this full stack Java developer course there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Java Stream. This entirely is what the Java Stream. Backend, Oracle is one of the course we are able to have there. Of course, in my classes, along with Oracle, I'm going to discuss something about MySQL also, but separate courses for only Oracle. If we request that Oracle faculty, it will teach about like what there MySQL related concepts also if required, as per a requirement. But majorly Oracle close they are going to take. But in my classes, how much MySQL knowledge is required, I will discuss up to that level. Don't worry for it. See, my way of teaching is totally what I'm telling to you. If I want to discuss A, if A depends on B, first I will start B. After that, I will come to what there A. That is my philosophy. So everything will be clear if I follow that philosophy. For example, X depends on Y depends on Z. In general, what faculties are doing there, directly they will discuss X and they will go outside. But it is not the case now. If X depends on Y, I'll start with Y. If Y depends on Z, I will start with Z. I will complete Z, then I will complete Y. Then after that, I'll come to what there X. In this way, we are going to have the content. That's why if you follow this approach, no, content-wise, you will be very much clear about our subject. Right, sir. Next one is what the basic UI. Already given that. Angular or React.js. Nowadays, maybe React.js is having very good demand when compared with Angular also. So we are going to provide both the courses, either of this course or both the courses. Actually, as per the schedule, either of these courses, either Angular or React.js. But for the sake of the student benefit, we are providing both the courses in full stack Java. As per our interest, if you want to learn both, we can learn it. Or if you want to go for React.js only, we can go for it. Or else if you want to go for only Angular, we can go for it. No, you are related technologies. Next one is what the Linux operating system. Linux operating system, AWS and DevOps. Then after that, what next one here? No, testing tools. So these many courses here we are going to include inside like what there full stack Java. This Linux, AWS and DevOps faculty will take care about it. A separate trainer is available for it, then we will take care about it, and testing tools, some other trainer is available. Okay, anyway, whatever it may be, among all the courses, what is my responsibility? As a host, what is my responsibility? What I am going to teach? Don't think about it. Myself, I am going to be appeared for only demo classes now. My name is Nagoor Babu, is one of the founder of Durga Soft. Now I am going to take this total red color box. The total Java stream, I am going to take the responsibility. You will see this phase up to entire Java stream. Understand, guys, what I'm telling them? The complete Java course I'm going to take, right from core Java to up to web services. I'm going to take the classes here. Okay, remaining courses are handled by expert trainers in DurgaSoft. Remaining courses are taken care by some other trainers. Oracle, some other trainer. Basic UI and Angular or React.js, some other trainers. Linux, AWS, DevOps, another trainer. Testing tools, another trainer. Multiple trainers are available, but entire Java, I'm going to take the responsibility. No other faculty is going to take the responsibility. The total Java, I'm going to take the responsibility. Okay, so now we can utilize these classes. Which batch you want to join there, you can join well. But my suggestion to all of you is like what there full stack Java is getting trending in outside. Every company is looking for full stack Java, maybe today or tomorrow, whatever it may be. You have to be with what there full stack Java knowledge. Then only we are able to get jobs effectively in outside market. Sir, got it or not? This is the point here what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. Apart from this, all right, sir. Anything else here we want to know that? Then what is the meaning of this full stack Java developer course here? I'll explain that later on. Don't worry for it. What is the meaning of this full stack Java? What is the purpose of this full stack Java? why these many subjects are available inside the full stack Java. Then all this content here we are going to understand clearly. I will explain to you later on. No need to worry for it. This is one point. And another thing is like what I am telling to you about this now. Please all of you recognize this. Classes. All right, classes. How we are going to conduct these classes here? How many classes here we are going to take per week? If we observe these classes now, understand this point here. Classes are mandatory from Monday to Saturday. No changes on this approach here. Monday to Saturday mandatory class are going to be happen. Okay, depending on the situation, we will conduct the classes even on Sundays also. Try to recognize it. Depending on situation, definitely we will see the classes on Sundays also. Depending on situation, in the sense, Java is a lengthy one. Java is a version. If you want to swim it and if you want to see the ending point of this journey, definitely we have to work on Sundays also. Understand my point here? Institute is ready to conduct the classes on Sundays also, but not immediately. But after 1 or 2 weeks of time, definitely we'll plan for the classes on Sundays also. If possible, on Sundays we are planning for more classes. Every day we are planning, for example, if I plan every day 1.5 hour class there, but on Sunday I'm going to take what there? Somewhat extra class. Understand my point? You may ask one question to me, sir, if you take class on Sundays, no, but when I'm going to practice my content? Right, sir? Throughout 24 hours of time, what you are doing, sir? How many classes you are attending there? Max, you are going to attend 2 to 3 classes you are going to attend, for example, throughout the day. But remaining day, understand it now. So in Java, we have to understand the courses parallel and we have to complete the courses parallel. Then only you are able to complete the courses within less time. Otherwise, it will take years and years of time. I'm telling you clearly. Fine, whatever it may be. So here we are able to have classes even on what there Sundays also. That's an intimation here I'm telling to you. Try to understand it clearly. Okay, fine. Clear this one. Classes timings will be like what there. What timings here we are following. That means Monday to Saturday mandatory per week. Sundays class are optional. Depending on my situation, I'm planning to take the class on Sundays also. As you are the student, you should be ready to attend for the classes on Sundays also. Observe carefully. Leave this one. Now coming to these classes here, all of you observe carefully. Now today I started this demo class at what time here? 7 to 8:30 a.m. This is a demo class. Here we conducted it. Am I right or not? But remember carefully, this course is going to be happen in 2 timings. Please, all of you remember this. In the first day itself, I'm confirming that to you. 7 to 8:30 is one slot I'm going to use. Next one is what there? 8:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock slot also be I'm going to be utilized. Please all of you remember carefully. Why? Because I need to speed up the content. I need to complete the Java in a less time. If I want to complete the Java in less time here, I must use that. So 7 to 8:30 a.m. as well as 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. for Java, I'm going to use these slots. If it is a case, if it is mandatory to conduct the class here, definitely I'm able to take one more slot also. If I want to take the class one more slot, then one more slot also I'm going to take it. Guys, observe carefully. So maybe, but I'm not sure immediately, but maybe 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. also. I'm planning to take the classes here if it is required as per the requirement, but you should be ready for it. Understand my point here? Just leave the total 7 o'clock to up to 11:30 for core Java. Leave it to me. How I'm going to utilize? I will utilize it and I will conduct the classes here. Taking more classes per day in the sense to complete your course as early as possible. Not because of my what I'm telling the time pass, because of your advantage only. Completing core Java is the toughest task for any Java faculty. Completing core Java is the toughest part. Minimum I need to take a 3 to 3.5 months of time to complete core Java only core Java. But if I take parallelly, it will be completed a bit less. If I complete core Java a bit in a less time there, you may plan for other courses immediately. Those who are planning for full stack Java, today is the core Java announcement I have given there. Understand it clearly. December 1st, there is an announcement for advanced Java at 11:30 to 1. Yeah, sure. It was very clear that December 1st onwards, you must attend for advanced Java classes parallelly, along with the core Java classes. Why? Because if you are not completing the courses in this way, it may take years of time to complete Java, full stack Java. Anyway, I have that clear-cut plan for it. How to give the roadmap for it, everything I will provide to you. But for information, I'm telling there, December 1st, you have to start with what the advanced Java. Nearly, hardly 1 month of time here we are having. So within 1 month of time, the required concepts of advanced Java we have to cover inside this core Java. Then we have to start with advanced Java. Both the courses are going in parallelly. If any one course is completed here, then immediately we have to start with the frameworks. Yeah, that clear-cut roadmap is available. I will give that roadmap to you. Don't worry for it. But anyway, just assign time to me. Assign time to me. Assign time to me. Core Java, I'm able to utilize mandatorily these two slots. But I want to utilize even in the case of situations are coming there. I will utilize even the third slot also. Yeah, that's why in the demo class itself, I'm giving this much of clarity. Yes, sir. All of you are following my point or not? What I'm telling them now. Right, sir? So you have to assign these many slots for the sake of the core Java at any time, whether I'm going to use 2 slots or 3 slots now, that I will take the decision. But course, to speed up the course here, I need to take in these classes only. Please try to assign these many slots for me. Then automatically I'm going to utilize the classes in these 3 slots. Sir, all of you get my point or not? All right, sir. Now this is the timing what I have given there clearly. Okay. Next one is after that, after completion of these points here, right, sir? Now these are the formalities. This is the information. What commitments I'm giving behalf of the Durga regarding these classes here. In the first day, in the demonstration, all the points here we are understanding. I think I hope so. You understood clearly about the formalities what we are following inside Durga Soft, right? Clear information to all of you. Got it? All right, sir. That's okay. Fine. All right, sir. Then apart from this, anything else? Anything else you want to ask to me regarding these courses? No. I think every information is very clear for you, right? All the points are given there. All right. Full stack Java, that the syllabus and everything we are able to get before completing. That means after completion of this class through WhatsApp, we are able to get full stack Java, the total syllabus we are able to get. Nearly 60 pages documents you are able to get. Open it, just check the content, what we are going to be covered. There we are able to get it. All right. And we have class even on tomorrow also. All right, sir. We have class tomorrow also. Please recognize this one. Tomorrow also here we are able to have the class there. Try to attend for it, and more information here I'm able to provide in tomorrow. All right, sir. Can we have UI parallelly classes? Yes, definitely. Then we can add. And one more thing I'm telling to you guys. Just 1 minute now. Try to understand it clearly. In a full stack Java, these classes I'm going to take this core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservice, web services. These classes I'm going to take at the morning slots, 7 to up to 1 o'clock. I'm planning for it. But after a few days of time, 10 to 1 o'clock for frameworks, I'm planning there. Advanced Java and frameworks now. Understand my point? Remaining day, you can attend for all the remaining courses as per the notices we are going to get from DurgaSoft. As per the notifications, we are able to get new batches information. As per that, UI classes parallelly we can start, Oracle classes parallelly we can start there. Next one is what there. Then remaining DevOps we can start immediately. All right, but evening time when the batches are going to be start in the remaining timing there, 7 to 1 o'clock or 7 to 11:30, you can assign the timing for me. 7 to 1 blindly we can assign to me. Remaining courses, remaining slots, we can might be take at what time there, remaining slots. Just inquire at our office there. When new batches are coming there, they will give intimation to you. As per that intimation, directly we can join with these classes. If you are in a full stack Java, if you are in the normal Java courses, no, we can go for it. That's okay, fine. All right, sir, good. So this is what exactly the content here we provided here. All right, sir. Then one more thing I'm giving there. I think our admin people have given some notice to me regarding these benefits of some prices point of view. So they're giving some offers there. I think so. These offers are valid today and tomorrow only. Just one time talking. I don't like to talk about money and related concepts inside the classroom there. Go to our office there. Directly we can talk with our admin people. Today and tomorrow, they're giving some type of concessions on money. Just we can check out our office there, right? So those who are attending in offline, directly go to our office, then there get confirmation for it. Our admin people will give more clarity on it. Okay, for offline people, already given some number there. In that number, directly we can talk with them. Some money point of view, some reduction is going on. If you register for the courses on today and tomorrow, they are given already notice. But I don't like to talk about money related thing. Our relation should be Java only, not related to money and all these things. No, understand it clearly. So go to our office, then directly you can contact with them clearly, right? In offline, any might be doubts on it? No. Can I start class on tomorrow? Right, do one thing. Tomorrow we can come to the class. If you have any doubts, I will clarify on tomorrow, right? But now I want to give some time for the offline students there. Sorry, online students. I want to give 5 minutes of time there. For you, I will assign time on tomorrow. Any type of doubt if you're having there, you can contact with them tomorrow. Then tomorrow I will explain to you clearly, right? Shall we meet on tomorrow? No response, guys. Right, sir. Getting boring? Nothing, sir. Just format. I have not started Java. If I start Java, you'll get more interest. The more than your expectations, we are able to get Java. Don't worry for it, right? I will take care about it now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for attending demo class. Tomorrow I'll see you at 7 o'clock. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys, those who are in online, just you can raise your doubts there. Yeah, then guys, then need to discuss few things. Yeah, Vishal. Now please type in chat window. I can talk with you. And moreover, then today might be then our admin people have given some intimation to me regarding these courses and some package related issue. See, observe carefully. Uh, Guys, then full stack Java actually then people are going to take nearly 50K. But if we register for the course today and tomorrow, because of your benefit, I'm talking about this information. Otherwise, I don't like it. But information I'm passing to you. Then today and tomorrow, if you register for this course there, all full stack Java, then that will come with the 40K. Then admin people have given that notice to me. Actually, they said to me they try to announce it. That's why I given this announcement, guys. Try to check with this. Yeah, 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 guys. Then these timings are fixed as of now. Then what I'm telling there, after 45 days of time, then again the batch will start there at 7 to 8:30 only. Yeah, there we can check for it if it is not possible for you guys. 7 to 8:30. Okay, okay. Yeah, only 7 to 8:30 only that batch if you're expecting that. After 45 days of time, again in the same slot, I'll take the classes. There I will give intimation to you know. Yeah, then this time mandatory to attend for this 7 to 8:30 and 8:30 to 10 o'clock classes, guys. Mandatory. But this 10 to 11:30 classes I'm planning there. But why? Because to speed up these classes now. But as of now, the timings are like this only. These timings only we are planning there. All right. But the point is what I'm there after 45 days of time, only 7 to 8:30 class we are planning there. There we can attend for these classes in the case if it is not possible then. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, only Core and Spring Boot microservices. Yes, a full stack Java. I'm talking about this course is what they're full stack Java. Yeah, think of it, guys. Then full stack Java course. Actually, it's a 50K, but if you register for it and today and tomorrow, it will come within 40K. Yeah, then full stack Java in the sense including microservices and all. Okay, but it will come to 40K. Then if it is today and tomorrow, yeah, then the total syllabus we are able to get within maybe a few minutes of time. We will get it. Yeah, then no course is available. Only Core Java and Spring Boot microservice. Individually, we have to join for it. Yeah, Srisha. Individually, you have to join for it, but no separate package for it. Yeah, all the classes are going in at morning time only. Yeah, Yeah, it's okay. Then for core Java, just we can inquire for it. Just that is for full stack Java. This is a cost and it's a offer. Then people are giving there. Now try to check this. Okay. Individual courses are always okay. Then we can attend for this individual courses. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Then Gopinath, it's okay. Then I understood that. But the point is what? Otherwise, it may take a lot of time to complete the courses. Parallelly, we have to take the courses. Then only it is possible. Then, yeah. Please check it. Yeah, complete the total Java, full stack Java. Actually 50K, but today and tomorrow, if you register for it, you will get it worth there 40K. We can utilize this offer there. Yeah, in the case if it's not possible, you can attend for the next classes also, next batches also. But offer is going on here. We can utilize this. Yeah, just guys. Then regarding that related fees, the remaining fees details, you can contact with what there or admin people. Just please check with this. The number, mobile number I've given there. Just we can talk with our admin people. Remaining courses fees, no. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Then so fees and all these things, I don't like it, sir. Just only because of your benefit only here I'm talking now. Okay. Yeah, just leave this one. Just for information point of view, I'm giving it, but otherwise I don't want to. I don't have any intention of it. Try to understand it clearly. Just they are giving notice. That's why I given this kind of information to you know. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Anything else? No. So it mandatory to attend all sessions. If I attend 7 to 8:30 a.m. and after that I watch video. Yes, Vishal. Just we can watch videos also. No problem. Then for every class we are providing video support so that you can watch it. See guys, then I'm giving one option to you know. If the time is not possible for you and some slots there, we can watch through videos. Then every video will be provided. Every class video will be provided to you, so that you can utilize it. Your course is going to be completed. Yeah, I'm planning these slots and all these things for the sake of providing what there. This to speed up the content only to provide like what there within less time to complete the course only. Here we are conducting this point scale. Okay. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Then shall we meet on tomorrow, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? We have session on tomorrow also. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, I'm telling there, if only one slot is possible for you, remaining two slots are not possible. Just we can watch that videos also. Anyway, videos we are providing for all three slots of classes there. Just we can watch that videos also so that we are able to get it clearly. Okay. Right. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll give some time to go for some content, guys. That's okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Please respond to me, guys. All of you know. Please, everybody, respond to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. morning, guys. And in the last session, just given so basic view, then what we are conducting and what we are going to provide services. All these points we understood there. It's okay. Right. Today, just I would like to give information related to in full stack Java. What is this full stack Java? What exactly the things are going to be happen in full stack Java? Why it is trending nowadays in outside? Why people are very much interested on full stack Java nowadays? That all the points here we are going to understand. Right. Sir. Now, I'm asking one question to all of you. Now try to answer for it. I think all of you are having a minimal awareness on a project, especially on the project software development life cycle. Software development life cycle, either in your academics maybe or general knowledge. No need to have any too much technical skills to understand this point. It's very simple point. Now I will give some clarity. Now try to understand it clearly. For example, if we take a project, for this project, what are the various life cycle stages are available? What are the various steps here we are going to use to develop the project here? If we come for this particular point, at a high level, 4 stages are available in any project. At a high level, only 4 stages. 4 life cycle actions are available. What are these 4 life cycle actions for every project here? First one is like what there analysis. First one is like what there analysis. Without having any analysis, we are unable to start development part for a particular project. First of all, we need to analyze that project. Part of this analysis, so many sub modules are available. Requirements analysis may be, functional analysis may be, different things are available, but they are not required at present. But analysis is one of the phase that we have to identify. After this analysis, immediately the second step, the most important step is what there, you can understand it, coding part. In other words, we can call it as what there, development step. After this development step, then what next one here? That next another one, third one, here we can understand. The third one we can understand is like what there, testing. After developing the project, we have to test it properly. Without testing the project, we are unable to deliver that project to the customer or to the client. So first we have to test the project. In every corner we have to test the project. If it is good, then only we will deliver that project to the respective client. Testing is required. After testing, submitting project to the respective client and providing some support to the client after submitting that project, then that particular phase is called as production phase. That phase is called as what there, production phase. That's it. So these are overall 4 high-end life cycle activities of the project. Understand it clearly? If you want to prepare a particular software application for any organization or any project, if you want to prepare, what are the various life cycle activities? Here we are going to prepare their analysis, development, testing, and the last one is like what are their production. All right, that's okay, fine. Coming to the first phase. What is this first phase actually? Inside this first phase, analysis is going to be happen. As I said to you already, number of sub pages are available. Yes, please. Sub pages are available. All right. Inside this analysis, functional analysis is going to be happen. Next one is what there, resources analysis is going to be happen. Like this, so many things are going to be available. But who will perform this particular analysis, if you observe this, the top end persons, high end persons in the project hierarchy, they will take the responsibility of analysis. Maybe managers or maybe architects, maybe some different people are available. They are in a topmost position in our project hierarchy, and they will take the responsibility of analysis part here. Understand it clearly. So we are not going to think much about this analysis. Next one is, after that, the next component is what there, next stage is what there, development part. Yeah. If you observe this development part here, three levels of development is going to be happen. In the project overall, three types of developments are going to be available. What are the three types of developments which are available in outside there? Observe carefully. The first one is front-end development. The first one is what there? Front-end development. First one is what there? Front-end development. And next one is, after this front-end development, under the second one is what there? Middleware application development. Middleware application development. The second one is what there? Middleware application development. And the last one is back-end development. The last phase is what there? Back-end development. Back-end development. That's it. Now these are overall three types of developments which are available. Understand it clearly. At least minimum idea. What is front-end development? What is the meaning of this front-end development? Little bit information I'm telling to you. Try to understand it clearly. For example, all of you are using Facebook, right? I think everybody, all of you might be using Facebook. If you want to open Facebook, then what we have to do? If you want to open Facebook, first of all, what we have to do? First of all, we will open the browser. In the browser, we will use www.facebook.com. www.facebook.com that we open. Inside this facebook.com, when we provide this URL on the browser, automatically what we are getting there? We are getting a login page or not? Where username or mobile number it is asking. Then after that password it is asking. Please remember this login page here we are getting. For example, I didn't have any account with Facebook. I'm the totally new user for this Facebook. My credentials are not yet created. So then immediately I need to go with what there in the bottom of that login page. There is a link with the sign up link is available. Sign up link or register link is available. If we click on that sign up link, automatically here we are getting a registration form. What we are getting there, no? Registration form that we are getting there clearly. If it is a registration form, there we have to enter the data. After entering the data, there we are going to click on like what is the register button. There automatically username and password will be created. Again, we will be directed to the login page. Inside this login page, there we are going to enter username and password. There we are going to click on login button. Now after that, if our user credentials are right, then only our home page will be generated. Our account page will be open for us. Understand it clearly. So here login page, registration form, then after that home page of your account, that everything will come under front-end development. Everything will come under what there? Front-end development. That pages, especially that pages, UI pages, user interface pages. So these pages are come under like what there? Front-end development. Good, nice. Okay, sir, good. Front-end development that we understood. But how we are going to prepare that front-end development? To prepare this front-end development, what technologies, what frameworks we are going to use, what tools we are going to use to prepare this front-end development. So many technologies and tools are available nowadays in the market to prepare this front-end part. But where, for the sake of the Java application development, for the full stack Java developer, what exactly the tools and the frameworks we are going to use to prepare this front end development. Being the full stack Java developer, what is required, what technologies and tools we require to prepare this front end development. I'm going to give a list of technologies. Now try to understand it clearly. The very first one, here we can identify the basic component is like what I'm telling to you. HTML is the fundamental technology to prepare user interface or presentation part or like what their front end development. HTML is a base technology. If no HTML, no concept of front end development. Without that, we can't do anything. Even though so many technologies and tools are available, advanced technologies, but still there also we are using internally what? HTML tags only. Okay, leave it. HTML. Next one is what there? CSS. Next one is what there? Bootstrap. Then after this Bootstrap, then what next one here? JavaScript. After this JavaScript, then the next one is like what there? jQuery. We are going to use what there? jQuery. Okay. Now this part is a basic UI part. We are giving a name for all these five subjects. That name is what there? Basic UI part. Understand it clearly. Next one is after that HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. After all these things, the next one is like what there? After completion of this, we need to understand Angular. What next one here? No, Angular. It's a framework basically. Next one is what there? After that, React.js. React.js. Then alternative for Angular is what the React.js. Being the full stack Java developer, either Angular or React.js awareness is sufficient. But React.js is getting somewhat demand nowadays in outside when compared with what? Angular. No need to think about Angular, then better to go with what their React.js. Or else, if you're interested, we can learn both of them. So these are the technologies what you are having inside the front-end development. Then one more point here I'm telling to you, observe carefully. As I said to you already, right, this part is treated as basic UI, a title for all these five or what their basic UI. After that, either Angular or React. These are the frameworks. These are what their frameworks. Totally under this front-end development, these many things are available that we have to understand clearly. These are separated. Basic UI. These are like what their frameworks. In UI, frameworks are available. Similarly, in Java also be frameworks are available. Frameworks are available in everywhere, in every technology, in every domain. Okay. All right. I think so. Maybe Bootstrap is also be one of the framework. For CSS, Bootstrap is one of the framework. You may have one doubt. Sir, it's okay. All this content here we understood. But what about the Node.js? Is it required to understand Node.js as the Java developer? No, not required. Node.js is a server-side technology. Node.js is not like what their client side, not like what their client side. Node.js is what their server-side technology. That means as an alternative for Java, they prepared a separate technology that is what their Node.js. But being the Java developer, Node.js is not at all required. Just it is just we can leave it. It is not at all required. Only in the front-end development, these are the various technologies here we have to understand clearly. So leave this one. Next one is what there middleware application development. Observe carefully. Middleware application development. This middleware application development where business rules and regulations are going to be defined. Business rules and regulations are defined in our application in this middleware application development only. It is a server-side application. For example, the point here, what I'm telling to you, observe carefully. When we enter your username and password in the login page, when you click on login button, server side request will come to the server side application. At server side, there is an application. That application will take your data. That application will check your data is valid or not. If it is valid, then the data will be stored into the database, or the data will be used in our application. So definitely at server side, we need an application. That application must take data from the login form or registration form. The data has to be submitted to some other repository or maybe used in the business logic. So definitely we require a server side application or not. That server side application we are going to prepare with what the middleware application development. That server side application we are going to prepare with what their middleware application development. 1 minute. All right, sir. So this is what exactly the meaning of middleware application development. To prepare this middleware application development, what exactly the technologies here we are going to use there, what technologies and what technologies here we are going to use there in the middleware application development. Here I'm giving some clarity, try to understand it now. Now we are in full stack Java development. So in the middleware application development, we are going to use the technology is what? Java and its internals. If you are in a Python full stack Java, in a Python full stack Java, in the middleware application development, we are going to use what there? Python. If you are in .NET full stack, in the middleware application development, we are going to use what there? .NET. Answer my point. The middleware application development is a heart of the enterprise applications. No, there we are going to use a different types of technologies. Either we can use Java, or we can use Python, or we can use .NET, or we can use PHP, or different things here we can use. Sir, I'll forget my point or not. So now, as we are in Java, so we need to understand about Java, its related, correlated technologies to prepare this middleware application development. So what exactly the technologies here we are going to use clearly. If you have to this, first one is what there, core Java. Damn sure, without core Java, we can't do anything in throughout the application development. Definitely core Java is required. Next one is what there, advanced Java, database interactions and server side programming, that will be covered through what there, advanced Java. Then after this, after completion of this, next one is what there, Hibernate is one of the ORM tool, or maybe we can think of it, it's a like what I'm telling to you, it's a framework, Hibernate. Next one is like what there, Spring framework, that we can identify. After this Spring framework, next one is what there, Spring Boot. After this Spring Boot, microservices. Nowadays, very important topic, microservices. The total development part is changed. The style of development was changed after introduction of the microservices. After that, the next one is like what there, web services. Web services like this. These many technologies are available to prepare this middleware application development. Technologies and frameworks. Of course, here frameworks are also be available here. Technologies and frameworks which are available inside our what there, middleware application development. So if you are the Java, full stack Java developer, you must know about all these many things minimum. Even I have listed here only at present what technologies are going on. But if you observe this, some outdated technologies, no, there are so many outdated technologies are available. Answer my point clearly. No. All right, sir. Good. Next one is what after this. All right, sir. Now, what next one here? No. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, Tushar, it's okay. Then I will talk with you regarding that. Don't worry. But this is demo class. Okay. This is completely for new students now. Then I have already concerned on this particular one. I've given already some online classes information to you. Okay. Yeah, then I will give some information to you. But this is demo class, Core Java demo class. Then it's not for you. Just please sign off. Okay. Yeah, they definitely. Then I will concern it. Then we have some administration office there. Just better to go for it. But this is demo class, and in the demo class, and giving this type of message, just go leave it. I'll talk with you regarding that. Um, Already in the classroom, I give an option that just directly you can send a message to me. Let me take demo class here regarding this issue. For sure. Yeah, it's not the way. Please recognize this. In the demo class, and don't send this type of messages. No, it's not good thing sending messages like this. No, please sign off. Yeah, right, sir. Now let's move on to the point here. So another thing is like what then, what we are understanding there, and the next one is all right. Now middleware application development are given information like this. After that, next one is what there back-end development. What next one here? No back-end development. What about this back-end development here? In the same simple login page details here, if you provide no login page details here, if you provide there inside this login page, okay, sign up page, for example, if you provide there sign up in the sense registration page, no, where we are providing our data, username, password, and all the data. Okay, middleware application development, middleware application has taken our data when we submit request. After taking the data should be validated. If the data is good, the data must be stored in the repository. Our user data must be stored in what there? In a repository. That repository is nothing but what there? A database. In the database, that user data must be stored. Understand my point clearly? So we require to know something about our databases. Definitely we need to have knowledge on what the databases. Minimum one database information is required for us. What database details here we required for us here? If you observe this clearly, where that database information like what database here we required here, mainly here we are able to have like what there Oracle, or maybe the next option for Java development, that is what there MySQL. They are the two databases which are going to be happen in our content. Understand it clearly. First one is like what there Oracle, and next one is like what there MySQL. These are the two databases which are available in our content. Yes sir, got it or not? All right, sir. Now this is like what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. Backend development. Inside this backend development, either Oracle or MySQL. But in general, if you know Oracle, then the remaining databases are very simple. If you understand Oracle, see, I'm suggesting to you, no need to go for both the backend technologies. Just one backend technology awareness is required. One backend technology awareness is sufficient to understand all the remaining things. Automatically, we are going to work with the remaining content. Yes, sir. I'll get my point or not? All right, sir. Now this is exactly about like what there Oracle content here we are preparing clearly. That's okay. Now this is like what I'm telling to you. Front end development, now middleware application development, and back end development. These are the various things here we are having clearly. Leave this one clearly. After that, after completion of this, now let's move on to the next one here. What about this next one here? Testing. If you observe this testing now, in testing, that means application development, you are going to prepare with all the three sectors, all the three things. After that, application must be tested. To test the applications, we are going to use some technologies or maybe some tools here we are going to use. Nowadays, the very famous tool is like what there Selenium testing. What is available there? Selenium testing. This is one of the famous one. So here we have to understand it clearly. So here the course is like what there manual plus a Selenium. Manual plus what there Selenium. These two things are available. Manual plus what there Selenium. That we have to understand clearly. All right, sir. For testing point of view, we need to understand these two concepts here. That's okay, fine. This it is completed. After that, what is the meaning of this production kernel? Okay, my application is tested, well tested. Certification is available about my application. Testers have given some certificate. Yes, it's a clear cut development. It's very good. Application is tested very well. That certification here we are getting. Then after that, what next one? I have to send that project to my client or not? I have to send that project to client. That client has to keep my project in live or not. Live in the sense customers can use that project or not. All right. So what we have to do to submit that project to the client and to deploy that project into the servers, that means real-time servers or main servers, and to keep that project in a live and giving some support to that project. That entire environment is nothing but what their production environment, production or support or whatever it may be, everything will come under in a particular title, in a single title. That is like for their production environment. Try to understand the point clearly what I'm telling you now. All right, sir. All right, sir. Now understand the clearly, then production environment here we are getting clearly. Now, if you want to perform this, see, inside this production environment, two things here mainly we have to understand. What are the two things here? First one is like what their deployment. Next one is what their deployment. After that, what next one here? No, monitoring. After this monitoring, then what next one here? Deployment, monitoring. Then after that, support. Support. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Deployment, monitoring, and support. Support is there or not is a secondary, but deployment and monitoring, that the two aspects under like for their production environment. All of you understand my point, you know? Okay, fine. But now, first of all, tell me how the deployment and monitoring are going to be happen. First of all, how deployment is going to be happen? If we want to deploy a project, first of all, we require a server or not? Come on, guys, we require a server or not? Inside the server only, we are going to provide our content or not? We are going to deploy the project or not? So definitely we require what there? A server. So the client has to manage the server and its environment. Server and its environment that must be provided by the client. That is point number one. Okay, server we are going to provide. But if you want to provide server, if you want to provide server, then what next one is required here? If you want to provide server, we require an operating system or not? For the sake of the server maintenance, we need one operating system or not? Without operating system, we can't do anything. But here, what operating system here we have to use? What operating system here we have to use? If we come for this particular point about this operating systems, what we are going to use there, answer is very clear. Now tell me, at present we are using Windows operating system. Do you think about it? The same Windows operating system is available or is going on for the server maintenance? No. Are you thinking about the same Windows operating system? No, not at all. Windows operating system is up to the development part only, not for server maintenance. That Windows operating system capabilities are not sufficient to maintain a server or to manage the server, a particular server. To maintain the server, we required a separate environment. We need to provide a separate environment to maintain the server. That separate environment is provided by Linux operating system effectively. Solaris operating system effectively. Maybe some other operating systems they are able to provide effective environment for the server maintenance. For the individual application development, Windows is good, no issues. The user interface is very good in the case of Windows operating system. Windows operating system is mainly for entertainment, user interaction, user friendly. But server side maintenance point of view, Windows operating system is not at all suggestible. In place of it, we have to use what their Linux operating system. Yes, sir, got it or not? So immediately, what I'm telling now, we required Linux operating system awareness is required to perform this deployment process or deployment activities. Definitely, we required what operating system there? Linux operating system here we required. That's okay, fine. Along with this Linux operating systems, then what we required here apart from this, you know, server is required. Here, database is also be required. Am I right or not? Server is required, database is required, some infrastructure is required. Some infrastructure is required. Moreover, this Linux is also be required. Now think of it, how much it is costable to manage this entire infrastructure for the deployment process now. To maintain this total production and its environment, how much infrastructure is required here now? So many things are required. Operating system is required, database are required, servers are required. Apart from the servers, network is required, proper network is required. So like this, if we think about it now, that so much of infrastructure is required. But nowadays, client companies are unable to manage this much of cost for what their infrastructure maintenance. Get my point or not? Nowadays, companies are unable to maintain. See why? Why? Because maintaining a particular product in the sense they have to take licenses from the respective organizations. That licenses are what they're costful. For database, we have to take one license, and for servers, we have to take another license. For the infrastructure point of view, so many tools we are going to use. All the tools are not freewares. Every tool must be costful. Then the client companies have to take licenses from the respective organizations for using their tools and technologies. So the cost will be increased more. Cost will be increased more. Not only cost. In the point of cost is okay, I can bear it. But not only in the point of the cost, no. But the maintenance of all these technologies and tools is very, very important. That maintenance problems will come. Get my point or not? That maintenance of the all the resources is somewhat difficult for me. Manpower is required. Too much manpower is required. But whenever we are increasing manpower, automatically cost of the development will be increased. Maintenance problems will come. All of a sudden the server is down. Then the respective human being, if you are if you are giving to a particular developer, the developer may handle, may not handle it. Because of his negligence, that entire enterprise application may be collapsed. This kind of maintenance problems will come there. That serious problems will come there if you're depending on that particular another developer there in our company. So nowadays, clients are unable to manage this much of infrastructure, this much of maintenance they're unable to bear. At the same time, cost also be they are unable to bear. Because of that reason, all the companies wants to give that maintenance of the total production environment. Maintenance of the production environment would be given to the some third party people. Nowadays, all the customers, all the clients, they don't want to take the maintenance of their production. They want to give that production and its maintenance information to maintenance to some third party people in outside. Who are these third party people nowadays in outside there? The third party people are what they're cloud providers. Nowadays, the third party people are like what they're cloud providers. Who are the cloud providers nowadays in outside there? So many cloud providers are available. The best three cloud providers are like what there. First one is Amazon Web Services, AWS. Next one is what there, Azure. And the next one is what there, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. But like this, so many things are available, but they are the three best cloud providers nowadays in outside. Out of all these three, which one is having very good demand? Out of all these three, which one is having very good demand? If you observe this, now where the very first one is like what there, AWS. AWS is having very good demand, so people have preferred to go for what there, AWS. Understand it clearly now. Is it got it or not? So Linux is required. Moreover, AWS is running with what the Linux effective. Of course, we can use that Windows also, but Linux is very good. Why? Because everything we are going to do with what the Linux operating system. Linux commands awareness is required. AWS is required. After that, okay, fine. By using AWS, we are able to create the infrastructure. We can ready server. We can make ready database. We can make ready network. We can make ready Linux instance. We can make ready that every infrastructure is okay. After that, what we have to do? We need to deploy the project. We have to monitor that project. We have to monitor the server. We have to monitor the database, whether all the activities are going on properly or not. Answer my point here now. Right. So many jobs are available here. After deployment of our applications, some monitoring is required. Inside this monitoring also, so many levels are available. Answer my point here now. So for a deployment point of view, for monitoring point of view, for giving support for our project point of view, to do all these things, a set of tools we are going to use. A set of tools here we are going to use. What are the set of tools here we are going to use there? The tools are called as what there? DevOps tools. A set of tools here we are going to use. The set of tools are called as what there? DevOps tools. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Maybe Jenkins, maybe Kubernetes, maybe like this. Ansible, maybe Chef, maybe like this. So many tools are available. Different types of tools are sorry. Different types of tools are available. All these tools are come under a particular name. That name is what their DevOps tools. So, being the full stack Java developer, we must have knowledge and like what their DevOps tools also. We must have knowledge and like what their DevOps tools also. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not clearly? No. All right, sir. Now this is Linux then cloud provider and a DevOps tools. These technologies and tools we require to complete like for their production environment, the total production related issues. Right, sir? Now this is the total life cycle of like what there a project. Yes, sir. Got it or not? End to end project development in the sense these many phases are available. At each and every phase, these many technologies and tools are going to be available. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Why I'm discussing all these points, I'll give some clarity now. For example, observe carefully. 15 years back, 10 years back, or maybe at least 6 to 7 years back, how development is going on, how development is going on, 6 or 7 or maybe 7, 8 years back, how development is going to be happen. If you observe this point, a separated team is available for front-end development. For example, I have a project, a bank application, for example, I'm preparing a bank project. For front-end development, a separate team. In this separate team, how many members are available here? Team 1. Nearly how many resources are required in the front-end development? Depending on the length of the application, you may require maybe 5 members, for example. Think of it. Or maybe it may be increased depending on our requirement. Or else, on an average, we can understand 10 members. That is team number 1. Okay. Front-end development. Middleware application development, second team is required here. Team 2. Inside this team 2, roughly 10 to 15 members here we can take. 15 members team here we have taken. Hmm? 1 minute. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen clearly. Guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen, guys. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, all of you please respond to me. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, right. Thank you. It's audible and visible. Right. Nice. Right, sir. So now understand it clearly what I'm telling you. Yeah. So for Java application development, for middleware application development, how many members team is required? Minimum 15 members team is required. Just I'm giving minimal development part, minimal resources. That's okay, fine. Leave this one. Then here, when we come for this team 3, what about this team 3 backend development? Team 3, then here at the minimal, we are going to take like what there 5 members team can. Answer my point. A separate team must work on what there backend development. Minimum 5 members team can. But here on the base of the Java, it may be increased depending on the volume of the application. Answer my point. But these are the minimal quotations I'm giving there. Next one is what there testing point of if you observe this, another team is required. That another team is like what there. All right. Now minimum in the testing point of minimal 5 members, 5 engineers, 5 test engineers are going to be worked for a particular project. All right, so rough information I'm telling that members may be varied from company to company or development to phase to development phase. Okay, fine. After that the production team. That means now this is like what there. Then this is like what I'm telling there. Team of 5 here inside this operations team will come there. Operations team might be nearly almost all 6 or 7 members team is going to be available under this operations team. So all of you get my point or not? Overall, now tell me how much manpower is required, how many resources we required to complete a project from end to end. But I'm not included this analysis part anyway. Just we can leave it. Analysis was not required. Now tell me 10, 15, 25. Next one is what that 30, then 35 and 40. Nearly 40 to 45 members on around 50 members. 1 or 2 members less or more, whatever it may be. Then nearly 50 members team. 50 members must work on this particular project or not? Understand, guess what I'm telling you. So 50 members must work on this particular project or not? Okay. Out of these 50 members now, how many members are able to work exactly on a particular moment of time? How many members are working there? Just I'll give one simple example. When the project is in front-end development, When the project is in front-end development, how many developers are working for front-end development? 10 members now. Then what is the state of the development team and what is the state of the back-end team, testing team and production team? All the remaining teams are relaxed or not? That means now when the project is in front-end development, automatically only 10 members are working for this project. The remaining members are not working. They're not having any work. They're relaxed. Okay, leave this one. When the project is in the middleware application development, that means app development, server-side application development, how many members are working for it now? 15 members are working. What about the remaining members? What about the remaining members? Of course, if the companies are having some other projects, these members may be involved in some other projects, but companies are having only one project. There's a lengthy project and good project. At present, only one project is available. Only 15 members are working now, but remaining member status is what? They're simply relaxed or not? Okay, leave this one. When the project is in testing mode, of course, there is a traffic between traffic in the sense like what there to and fro communication is going to be happen between development and testing. When the testing is failed, immediately that part will be given back to what their development. Again, developer has to fix that problem there. Again, submit back that developed application to the tester. Again, tester will check it. No, if testing is failed, again the project will be given back to the development phase. So the rotation is going to be happen between testing and development here. Okay, now at a time 20 members are working, but remaining 20 to 25 members, what is the status there? Okay, when the project is in production mode, what about the remaining members now? Yes, sir, got it or not? So this is the traditional, that means conventional development phases previously before 10 years back now. So this type of things are going to be happen. Now tell me, if this approach is going on in the company, is that company is using their resources effectively? Is that effective utilization of the resources? No, definitely not. If 10 members are working, remaining 35 members are sleeping in the sense, what is the meaning of it? Is it the effective utilization of the resources? No, no, it is not at all the effective utilization of the resources. Because of this reason, all the companies are introducing a new content, a new concept for the developers in outside. What that new tradition that all the companies have introduced and they are making it is trending nowadays in outside. What the tradition, what that new conventions, what that new step of the convention was provided by all the companies there. By the time exactly in this particular point of time, companies are looking for a separate developer, a separate developer role. They created a separate developer role. That separate developer role is nothing but what there, full stack Java developer, full stack Java developer. Yes, sir, got it or not? For example, if I observe this Indian cricket team now, in Indian cricket team, for example, what is going to be happen there? No, for example, related example, I'm telling there, who are getting more demand in Indian cricket team now? Tell me, always. Bowlers are we have sufficient bowlers, batters we have sufficient batters, but who are getting more demand every time? No, all rounders. Then one best example, when Hardik Pandya was injured, maybe then one might be few days back now. In that BCCI, total BCCI is shaken. They are thinking about to replace another player, but we don't have any other player like this. They searched for number of players there, but nobody is matched with Hardik Pandya. But luckily, India wins every match nowadays. Why? Because they had very good backup system. That's okay. That is appreciable. But the point is what when Hardik Pandya was injured, then no player is available to replace his position. That means what is the meaning of it? No, why Hardik Pandya is getting very good demand? Why had very good demand? Is an all-rounder. He can bat, he can bowl, he can field. Understand my point, Kenna? But no other player is available like this. Same theory we can apply in our project development also. Understand my point, Kenna? If any developer is available who has the knowledge of front-end development, knowledge on middleware application development, knowledge on back-end system, knowledge on testing, knowledge on production and its related issues, no, definitely the developer is getting more priority or not? The developer is getting good priority or not? Yeah, the same thing what companies are expecting nowadays. The same developers that companies are expecting nowadays in outside. Now the name of that particular developer who has the knowledge on all the life cycle activities of the particular project, the name of the developer is what there? Full stack developer. Full stack Java developer. For example, if a company has only full stack Java developers, what that company will do with this full stack Java developer? No. For example, there are full stack Java developers nearly 10 members now. When the project is in front end development, the same 10 members will work for this front end development. When the project is switched from front end development to middleware application development, the same 10 full stack Java developer will work on what their middleware application development. When the project is in back end development there, the same 10 full stack Java developers will work on what their then back end development. When the project is in testing now, the same full stack Java developers will perform the testing. When the project is in production there, the same full stack Java developers will do the production and its related issues. Now tell me, with how many members we can finish our total project now? With the 10 members we can finish it. But previously how many members there? Nearly 50 members. But now how many members now? 10 members can. Understand my point here? Depending on the volume of the project, we can increase that members also, number of members also. But example I'm telling there. With the 10 members, we can finish that entire project or not. Moreover, we are utilizing the 10 full stack Java developers in effective way. When the project is in front end development, 10 members are busy with front end development. No developer is vacant. When the project is in middleware application development, the same 10 full stack Java developers are busy with what their middleware application development. Even single minute is also be not available as a space for the respective full stack Java developer. They can work on each and every phase. They will be involved in every life cycle stage of the project. Then automatically effective utilization of the developers, effective utilization of the resources is maintained by the companies or not. Because of this reason, nowadays every company is looking for what their full stack Java developer. If they're maintaining that full stack Java developer, they can reduce manpower gradually. When they reduce manpower, automatically infrastructure cost is also reduced there. Not only that, cost of the development is going to be reduced. Cost of the development is also reduced. So because of that reason, nowadays full stack Java developer is getting very good priority, very good demand in outside. If you observe, if you go for any job portals in outside there, if you verify the 10 job portals there, 10 job posts, if you verify there, almost a 9 number of posts are expecting what there full stack Java developers only. Yes, sir. All of you are following this point or not? So this is exactly the meaning of like what there full stack Java development. It's okay, fine. Just for your awareness purpose, I'm telling them now. Why nowadays every company is speaking about full stack Java developer in the sense this is what exactly the reason here we can identify. Yes, sir. Good. Now let's move on to the point here. This is exactly the meaning of full stack Java developer. Of course, the same diagram I given already. Now try to recognize this. Okay. Now finally, now tell me, full stack Java developer must require which technologies awareness? What technologies and tools that full stack Java developer must aware? That's the question here I'm asking there. For that, answer is very clear. Now see this one. We can identify these many technologies. We can identify what are there, these many technologies. Can you list out what are the various technologies here? First of all, we will start with Java. In Java, what technologies we require there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. This is Java stream. Same as it is that is available under what there? Middleware application development. Leave this one. Oracle backend system. Next one is what there? Basic UI, Angular or React.js front-end development. Next one is what there? Linux, AWS, DevOps. These three things are come under what there? Production environment. Next one is the last one is what there? Testing tools like what there? Selenium and Manual and Selenium. These are come under what there? Testing tools. So nearly 14, nearly 13 to 14 or 15 number of technologies and tools we are going to be covered. We are going to be used under what course? Full stack Java developer. Sir, all of you get my point or not? See, and one more point I'm telling there. In outside of the Durga Soft, there is a different meaning for full stack developers. People are not including this much of syllabus inside the full stack Java developer. The blunder thing is what there in some outside, in some institute. I'm not criticizing anybody else, no, but fact I'm telling there. In outside, some people are thinking about full stack Java development is what there. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, and Basic UI. That's finished. This is full stack Java. It's too much. It's too much. I prepared this entire syllabus under this full stack Java development. How I prepared this entire content under this full stack Java development, not in my own way. I had been in touch with a number of company HRs. I had been talk with what their number of companies HRs. By taking input from this number of companies HR only, I prepared that entire full stack Java development course curriculum. Myself, I prepared this entire curriculum. And not in my own way, I prepared this curriculum. Then I got information from the number of companies HR by checking for the number of companies jobs descriptions. After that, only I prepared this entire content. Understand it clearly. In every job description of the full stack Java, you are able to see this many content clearly, this much of content clearly. After completion of nearly after 50 to 60 number of job descriptions, after understanding that, after that only I prepared this type of curriculum. I introduced this type of curriculum inside the Java, inside Durga Soft. So this is the full-fledged, the complete information on like what their full stack Java. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? What I'm telling you. So okay, fine. Anyway, sir, now this is about like what there, some content here, what I tried to give there. It's okay, fine. This anyway, it's going to be available in the document. We can identify this document. Next one is after that, after completion of this total content here, what we are going to understand in Java. Now I'm going to start Java. Inside the Java, with what I need to start our content here, no? Core Java. Inside the Java, I need to start with what there? Core Java. Now inside this core Java, what concepts are going to be available? What are the various things are going to be available? I want to give a list of technologies. Let me give the total list of concepts here. Let me give the list of concepts which are available inside the core. Of course, you got already that PDF document as a like what there WhatsApp message, right? If you open it there, we can see the total list of the content. Am I right? Now, one time I want to list off all the content, list of these concepts which I'm going to be covered inside the core Java. I want to provide to you, not try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now, very first one, understand it clearly, introduction part. Okay. Later on, I'll give the description of each and every title here, but first of all, let me list out all the concepts now. Introduction part. Next one is what the steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. After completion of this, language fundamentals. After this language fundamentals, next topic is like what there? Oops, object orientation. Very, very important. If you want to give stars there, 100 stars here we can give. So main concept inside this core Java, object orientation, oops concepts. Next one is what? After completion of this object orientation here, wrapper classes. Next one is what there? Inner classes. After this inner classes, next one is what their packages. Next one is string manipulations or string operations. After completion of the string manipulations or string operations there, wrapper classes, inner classes, packages, string manipulations. Right. After completion of this, exception handling. Next one is what there? Multi-threading. After this multi-threading, next topic is what there? IO streams. After this networking, RMI. But this networking and RMI are two like what there? Outdated content. But knowledge I need to provide there. Why? Because the knowledge is required to move on to the future concepts, but they are not utilized at present here. But awareness is required. All right, then I will give that awareness also. Don't worry for it. After completion of this networking and RMI, next one is what there? Internationalization. After this reflection API. After completion of this reflection API, annotations. After completion of these annotations, JVM architecture. After this garbage collection or garbage collector. Next one is what there? Regular expressions. Regular expressions. After completion of these regular expressions, next one is what there? Arrays. Arrays topic here. Either I will cover this arrays in the language fundamentals, and here also we are going to be covered this arrays topic here. After completion of this arrays collection framework. Collection framework. After this collection framework, next one is what there? Generics. We are going to use there. After this generics, then what topics here? Anything is missing? Yes. Might be GUI part is available, AWT, but the Spring, but these two are totally outdated. I'm not going to cover these two concepts, AWT and Spring, totally outdated. Nobody's thinking about these concepts here, but still if you're expecting that, my previous batch videos are available on these topics now. I will share that videos. As a time waste, at the same time, nobody's thinking about these two concepts here, but don't expect these two concepts here. But in the syllabus, I might be specified that, but here itself, I'm telling that totally not required. That means outdated. It's totally outdated, not required this. But still, if you're expecting the concepts on these two, I can give what their video support. Already I had some videos on this particular topic. So many batches I discussed these concepts there. That video support here I'm able to provide. Not at all required. Next one is after this, after completion of this, Java 8 version features. Next one is what there, Java 9 version features. After this, and so on, and so on, and so on. Then finally here we are able to get like what there, we can understand. And so on. And finally, if you observe this, maybe 35th topic or maybe 36th topic, I don't know, Java 20th version features. Java 20th version features that we are going to understand now. Right, sir? Might be. Then in the list of this content, I may miss out one or two concepts here, but on flow every topic will come there clearly. Okay. So these are overall the topics here, what you are getting clearly. See this one, the content is very good content and huge content inside like what there inside the Java. But the titles only names I have given here. If we take each and every part, then automatically we are going to discuss what there more and more content here we are going to discuss clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Fine, sir. Now, out of these concepts here, we are going to understand like what there introduction part is totally theoretical content, sir. Why we are coming to the Java? What is the need of the Java? What are the Java features? How Java programming languages compared with C and C++? Only this kind of theoretical concepts are available. Application development, programming will start from what their steps to prepare first application onwards. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? So, forever classes, what I'm telling there, these theoretical concepts, the theoretical in the sense I said to you already, then the theoretical concepts I will cover later on in the sense what that in the same 7 to 8:30 after completion of this topic, steps to prepare first application. After completion of that, I will cover the theoretical concepts. First of all, let me start with what there that application development. First application development, I want to start there. Why? Because inside this first application development, we are going to see how to download Java software from internet, how to install Java software in our system, how to prepare the very first program. So if you complete the first application effectively, you will get confidence. You'll understand, okay, Java program is available like this. Then afterwards, I'm going to talk about what the theory and examples and some syntaxes, the remaining concepts here, I'm going to discuss with you clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? So this is what exactly the approach here I'm going to follow. The very first topic here I'm going to start with, like what there steps to prepare with the first application. Steps to prepare first application. After that, I will start that introduction part and theoretical concepts and all. At least first of all, on moment, immediately we are going to see how to prepare a program. That minimal concepts here we are going to understand there. That's why I'm going to start this topic there clearly. Steps to prepare first application. Moreover, that introduction part is not at all dependent on this particular topic. Okay, right. Now let's see this one. Guys, all of you are following what I'm telling to you. Just overview only, nothing else, nothing I started here. A bit fast manner, I'm able to take this overview. But when we are coming to the technologies part, there we are going to understand each and every point in an effective way. Okay, but first of all, understand the point clearly. Steps to prepare first application. To prepare the first application, what we have to use there, the very first step is what? Download and install Java software. Yes, sir. What is the first one? Can you tell me? Download and install Java software. Without having Java software, we can't do anything in our system. As a first step, we have to download Java software from internet and we have to install the same Java software in our system. How to do this? I will give some steps to you clearly. The clear cut document I will provide you. Don't worry for it. Next one is what? After that, download and install Java editors. Download and install what are Java editors. Download and install what are Java editors. You'll understand it clearly. After that, next one is what? Write Java program. Next one is save Java file. After that, compile Java file. Next one is execute Java program. These are overall steps what you are having clearly. Check it once again. What are the various steps are available? Download and install Java software. Download and install Java editor. Write Java program. Save Java file. All right, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hmm. Live on them. Right, sir. All right, sir. Then what next step here we are understanding there? Save Java file. After this, compile Java file. And next one is like what there? After compile Java file, execute Java program. Okay. These are overall the steps what we are having clearly. Okay. First of all, let us understand download and install Java software. Download and install Java software. Observe carefully. First of all, listen, all of you know, I'm going to cover up to the latest version, up to Java 20th version. Damn sure we are going to be covered. But initially, at the starting point of the programming, we are going to start with the Java 6 version, Java 7 version, and Java 8 version. Initial programming, I'm going to start with what there? Java 6, Java 7, then what next one? Java 8. After that, we'll move forward. Depending on the concepts, I will install on flow Java 9 or Java 10 or 11 and so on up to 20th version we are going to install and we are going to discuss in the content. But first of all, what we have to do there? We need to download and install Java software. But which versions can I'm going to use at present? 3 versions. And please remind this, whatever the concepts, whatever the practice or whatever the things I'm doing inside the class, as it is you have to repeat at your home in our systems. Damn sure. Please remember this. Okay. All right, sir. Now let me check this. I want to download Java software from internet. First of all, let me download this. Just Google it. No need to remember any website name. Just Google it. Oracle.com is a website from where we are able to get what there all the required Java softwares. Now, first of all, I want to download. Just 1 more minute. Wait a minute of time. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Now, say this one. I want to go with Java 6 download. Search for it. 1 or 2 in the first 1 or 2 websites are nothing but what their home websites for Java. Oracle. oracle.com. Now observe carefully what we are getting there. Java RQ downloads. What is this actually? Java RQ downloads. What is the meaning of this Java RQ downloads now? What is the latest version of the Java? Java 20th version, for example. Except this 20th version, all the remaining versions are what? Older versions only. All these older versions are provided by Oracle website as RQ softwares. All the older versions are provided as an RQ. That RQ is maintained by the Oracle database, Oracle people, and they are providing all the older versions as a RQ downloads. Understand my point, Ken? For new download, new version, for Java 20th version, it's like directly we can download it. But older versions we have to get from what there? RQ downloads. Okay, right. Now right click on it and open a new tab. When we open a new tab, there we are getting this download page. If we scroll down, there we are getting Java software downloadable links. Sorry. Now understand it clearly. Before going to download any Java software, first we have to understand what operating system you're having in our system. On the base of that operating system only, we have to download the Java software. Java 6 version is compatible with these many operating systems. Linux based, Solaris based. Next one is what there? Windows. And again Linux and Windows, some other like different operating systems are available. On the basis of these operating systems, the downloadable links are provided here. First, we have to identify which operating system you are having. On the basis of that only, we have to download the required Java software. But how, sir? How I can identify my operating system now? From where I can get my operating system details? Clear. Open this file explorer. This PC is available. There we are getting this kind of drives and all. There, right click, properties. Right click and properties. There we are getting details about our operating system. Right. What is my operating system now? Windows 10. In my system, which operating system is available? Windows 10. Of course, we are having Windows 11. Okay, no issues. Windows 10 or 11, that doesn't matter. But Windows 10 operating system is available. See this one here, system type here we can identify. What is this system type now? 64-bit operating system and 64 based processor. Operating system is 64 and processor type is also what there? 64-bit based processor. That's okay, fine. My operating system and my processor type, then everything is very clear now. That's okay. Leave this punch. After that, go to the download page. Now here, I need to go with what there? Windows x86 and Windows x64. What I have to select there now? Tell me. Windows x64 here we have to select. Now this link here we have to click. Then we are able to get Windows x64 processor based processor related software here we are going to download. Sir, got it or not? So we should not download different softwares here. For example, if your operating system is Windows operating system, if we download Linux based Java software, how that Linux based Java software will sit on Windows operating system? Not possible. That's why which operating system is available in our system, that we have to check first. The related Java software here we have to download. Now sir, click on this one. Now observe carefully. Reviewed, that means license agreement, just we can select okay, no issues for it. Then click on download. Observe carefully. Now we are downloading from RQ of the Oracle website or not? RQ downloads or not? RQ downloads required authentication. User must be the account holder of the Oracle website. Then only he can download it. Otherwise, it will not allow. But see this one, what it is asking there. When you click on it, automatically Oracle account login details it is asking. It will not permit other users to download the required softwares. It allows only the Oracle users. Oracle website account holders only can download the softwares. But so far you are not having any account with Oracle. Am I right or not? So feel free. Here we have an option here. What is this option here? Now tell me. Create account options available. Click on it. Automatically account creation page here we are getting. There so many fields are available. email address, password, required password, retype password, country, name, job title, work phone, all the details it is asking there. Company details also it is asking there. But don't be panic for it. Company details no. Sir, I'm not having any job. I'm not working with any company. But how can I provide these company details no? Nothing, sir. Some fake details we can provide, no problem. Roughly we can provide some information there no. Yes, sir, got my point or not? So what is that information here? Just you can prepare a company name on the basis of your name, then we can enter it. But the directly people will not come to your company, they will not check because of this Oracle account creation. Just formality. Only it is what the formality. We can give normal information, but email ID and password, retype password, you must provide effectively. Yes, sir. All of you getting my point or not? Okay. As for that, when we click on this create account, no, automatically account will be created. Automatically what is created here? Account will be created. When we created that account, no, come back to this login page again. There we have to provide that account details. But already I have created my own account there. I'm going to use my own account here. Right, sir. Yes, my details are right details now. Automatically, Java 6 version is going to be downloaded. Now it is started downloading. Yes, sir, got it or not? Now it is started. Downloading is started. Almost all it is complete. And one more thing I'm telling there, per browser, one time login is sufficient. I've opened one browser there. Up to this browser, one time login is sufficient. No need to log in for every time download of this particular software. One time is sufficient per browser. If you close this browser, again, if you want to download it, no, again, we have to log in. Okay, now here, Java 6 is downloaded. It's okay. Now, if you observe this download there, Java 6 is downloaded. Now here it is downloaded. Okay, now similarly, I want to download remaining two more. What are the two more things here I want to download there? Java 7 and Java 8. Now let us check this clearly. Let me go with Google. Now in place of the Java 6, I want to say like what there? Java 7 downloads. Click on enter button. Again here, what we have to download there now tell me Java SE7 archive downloads. What we are going to download there? Java 7 archive downloads. Right click on it and a new tab. Open it. Right, sir. Now see this one. Here also be on the base of the operating system here, we have to select it. Java 7 was provided. Support is available for what operating system? No, Mac. But previously Mac support is not available. Java 6 is not supported with what there? Mac. But Mac is support. Mac compatibility is coming for Java right from which version of the Java? Java 1.7. Please recognize this point here. Now here again here Windows 86 and Windows 64. Now let me click on this. When we click on this, automatically it is asking about that review license agreement. Click on this. Automatically it is going to start what they're downloading. Now downloading is started. Got or not? All right, so now it is going to be downloaded. Just wait a minute of time. But now meanwhile here what I'm trying to do there. Right, sir. Now it is downloaded. Now just I want to maintain that links in our content here. Observe carefully. Java 7 downloadable link here I'm giving there. Okay. This is like what the Java 6 link here I'm going to give. Right, sir. Then after this, similarly, Java 8 links I'm going to provide. All right, sir. Now, okay, let me check it. Java 7 is downloaded or not? Java 7 is downloaded or not? Yes, sir. Java 7 is also being downloaded. Next one is what? After that, Java 8 version here I want to download. To download Java 8 version, what we are going to do now? Right, sir. Again, Java SE8 ARCHI downloads only. We can identify this. Right click on it and open in new tab. Now scroll down, search for Windows 64. Now it is available. Click on it. Now it's going to be started. Okay, now it is starting there. Once it is completed, then we will open it and we are able to take that content clearly. Right, sir. Now, core Java syllabus I started here. Just I'm showing how to download Java software and how to install Java software in our system. That part here I'm going to discuss with you clearly. All right. That's it. Now, all of you observe carefully. Overall, how many softwares can I download it? No? 3 softwares here I downloaded. What are the 3 softwares here I downloaded here? Java 6, Java 7, and what next one here? No? Java 8. Okay. Just I want to copy all the 3 software. Just Control C. I want to maintain all these 3 softwares in a location in my system. In the future, if I want to download the resource, if I want to install the Java software, every time I will not download from internet. A local copy I want to maintain in my system. For that, I created E drive. Inside the E drive, there is a folder I created there, softwares folder. Inside this JDKs folder, JDKs folder here I created. Inside this JDKs folder, I want to create a separate folder for the sake of your classes. Softwares there. Now it is like what there, full stack Java 7 a.m. Like this, a folder I created. Inside this folder, I'm going to provide like what there, JDKs. A folder created there. I'm going to keep all the softwares what I downloaded. Okay. All right, sir. Then overall download Java softwares from internet. That part we completed. Download the Java softwares from the following links. That part are given. Then what next one here? Installation process. Okay. To install Java software in our system, we have to use the following steps. What steps here we have to follow? Okay. Do one thing, that steps details I'll provide to you in the next class. Why? Because time may not be sufficient, no? Then I need to discuss about 3 softwares in installation clearly. Each and every step I'm going to prepare in the document so that we are able to use it for the sake of, So what I'm suggesting to all of you, today just I downloaded Java softwares from internet. You also do the same thing. In the next class, we can start along with me. Whatever the work I'm doing inside the class, the same work you can repeat it. Then automatically we are able to get our content. Right, sir? Now this is the total analysis that we are able to understand there. So in the next class, I'm going to talk about the remaining content here, remaining part of the installations and preparing programs and all one by one, you are going to understand. But when we are going to have the next concepts there, next class now, not on tomorrow, then on Monday, I'll take our class. Today is Saturday, right? On Monday, I will take your session. Monday, I'll continue the content clearly. Okay. Right, sir. That's all for today. Then we'll meet on Monday. Monday, we will see the remaining content. Okay. Right. And again, the same type of information. I think so. Yesterday, organization, might be Durga Soft is giving some type of concessions on the full stack Java development. Just you can reach out our office, then our people will give more clarity on it. Okay. I think so. Today is the last date for this offer. I think so. Then today's offer they have given there, they announced there. Just try to check at our office there. Our people will give more clarity on it. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday again. Everybody, try to come for the class. I will show that installation process clearly. Yeah, then for Mac operating system, just 780 is sufficient, guys. Then no need to go for other one. Yeah, Santosh, just we can start with Java 7 and 8. That's enough. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, guys, then I'm giving some numbers to you. Now just take this number. Take this number. Through this number, just we can contact WhatsApp there. There our people will be in touch with you regarding this. Yeah, Aman. Yeah, guys, then 8:30 class I will take off a few days of time, not immediately. Yeah, then up to 11:30 I will plan. I will take the classes care, but not immediately. Step by step. So a few days we have to attend at 7 to 8:30 only. After a few days of time, we have to start with 8:30 to 10. After that, 10 to 11:30 also I will start, but not immediately. Then step by step, I'm going to take. Okay. Yeah. Then for online people, I'm telling to you guys, just we can then first a few days of time, 7 to 8:30. I will give information to you from which date onwards I'm going to take what there, 8:30 to 10. After that, which date onwards I'm going to take at 10 to 11:30. I'll give the details to you clearly. No need to worry for it. I'll give the directions. Just these are 2 to 3 classes at 7 to 8:30 only. Okay. Yes, guys. On all of you, shall we meet on the Charles? Then people are attending throughout the world. People are attending from throughout the world. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, Monday. Thank you. Yeah, Aman Singh. Just the timings almost all fixed at present, no. But then separately morning 7 o'clock batches I will start there after a few days of time, but not immediately. This time these schedules are fixed. Please try to understand it. Then try to follow this max. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 7 to 11:30. The timing if you provide to me, then well and good. Then we'll move forward. We are going to understand content and we are going to complete the content a bit earlier more. Yeah. Okay. Anything else, guys? And shall we meet on Monday, guys? That offer is going to be ended today. Just try to check with our office people. So then, actually, full stack Java is a 50,000. But if you register for the courses, and today's the today's the last date. Then better to then register for it, and within 40,000, we are able to get the total content. I'm asking the school to sign up for a program so I can come in person. Charles, then I'm not getting it. Just it is from Durga Soft only. We are taking this demo class from Durga Soft only. Yeah, from India, from Hyderabad. It's a VTech. Then I don't know about it. Yeah, then Charles, just WhatsApp to this number your requirement so that you can talk with me. Okay. Yeah, Charles, just given some number to you just so you can chat with me. Then I will talk with you regarding this issue. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, guys. Shall we meet on Monday, guys? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. You'll meet on Monday. Monday, we will see the content. Thanks a lot. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Yeah. Please type in chat window, guys. All of you, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Am I audible? Yeah. Then questions box is there, guys. Then please type in questions box. Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Today is a demo class for Java. Don't worry. All right. Now just type in a questions box, please, all of you. All right. Good morning, guys. And the very first point I would like to say to you, in Durga Soft, no formalities, no need to stand, no need to sit. When I come back, when I come out, right? The point is what? Just you can come to the class, you can attend the sessions. That's it. For example, when I come to the class, if you're standing all of a sudden, I'm scared by seeing that situation. No? Right? For what purpose people are standing there? Are they coming to beat me or not? Hmm? No such kind of formalities. It's very clear. Right, sir. Just give a minute of time. Then I will prepare some links and all the things to you. Just 1 minute. I'll prepare this. All right, sir. Just give a minute of time. I will talk everything. Before that, okay. Please, all of you, please take this link details, no, at least image or maybe on your notes. I'll explain it. What's the purpose of this? https://tinyurl.com/core java 7am notes. https://tinyurl.com/core java 7am notes. Take this. Okay. See, the purpose of this particular URL is every day I'm going to prepare notes inside the class. The very good document you are able to get inside the class. Everyday classroom notes we are able to get through this link only. Just very simple. Copy this URL in your browser, or else maybe in a drive. It's a drive access actually. In a drive, if you copy this link there, open this link through drive, then automatically we are able to see these notes 24 by 7. Understand it now? Classroom notes is a bible for us. Understand it? Everything I'm going to keep inside this classroom notes, even though my explanations, diagrams, then programs, then everything what I am doing inside the class, everything will be available inside this document. But when it is available for you, now just now I type out this content here. At least if you try for this in our mobile now, immediately you are able to see this as is the status, same content. Within seconds after writing my content, if I refresh that browser or if I refresh the drive, automatically you are able to get this page. Better if you want to watch these notes in our mobile phone, better to install the drive. I think by default the drive is available. If it is not available, that means not drive, Google Docs, better to install that Google Docs app. If it is not available, then try to install it. I think so it is available by default in our mobile phone. Through that Google Docs, if you open it now, it will be simple to watch this total notes. Every day notes is coming in this particular link. Okay, clear? This is the point here what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. The next one is 1 minute. Just give a minute of time. I will talk with you. Right, sir. Just take this number also. Take this number also, everybody. Yeah. Take this number, mobile number. Of course, it is available in the document. I given this. All right, right, Max. This is like what there, WhatsApp number, as well as we can call it single point of contact for my classes. About my classes in Durga Soft, every faculty they are maintaining an individual number for the sake of giving information there. For every faculty, a separate number is going to be maintained. Of course, then the point what I'm telling here about my classes. If you want to get any details at any point of time about my classes there, this is the contact number. Just it is a WhatsApp number. Where multiple advantages we are able to get through this. What I'm telling there, we are providing videos support for every student. Video support in the sense, now the class is going on. This class is being recorded. After completion of this class, within 1 hour, video will be shared to every student. That videos link and everything our admin people will send to you so that you can contact with them. For example, if you are not getting videos access, to whom we have to contact? Every time you are unable to come to our office there, every time we are unable to talk with our admin people, right? Of course, there also mobile numbers are available. But about my classes, the single point of contact for videos maybe, for material maybe, for this class related information, no, this is a single point of contact. Directly, we can talk with these people about my classes. Okay, now this is one thing. So we can save this name, save this mobile number in our mobile phones. Directly, we can save this one with my classes, right, sir. Everything about my classes here we can understand. That's okay, fine. Next one is 1 minute. I'll give one more quote. This is also required for us. Please, all of you, take this quote. Everybody, take this quote. Notes. Of course, in the same link, same document, I maintained this, but anyway, take this quote. UG7IHLXL. UG7IHLXL. Taken? At least write this on your notes better. Everybody, take this quote. Taken? Simple thing what I'm telling to you. If you have taken the classroom notes link, if you open it, there every details I provided there, then at least from there we can copy this. Fine. Taken, all of you? All right, sir. Now, just give a minute of time. No, that's okay. Fine. No problem. Yeah. Later I will change it. This title I need to change actually. Yeah. Full stack Java 7 and 8:30. Save it. All right. Now, all of you understand it. What is the purpose of taking this particular Google Classroom code? What is the need of it? In the case, if I want to communicate with you directly, all of a sudden, if I want to send any message to you, or if I have any articles in Java, if I find any good resources in Java, I want to share with you on immediately. If it is not available, what is my process there? I have to talk with my admin people. That means third person must involve in this communication. I have to talk with my admin people. I have to send that resource to my admin people. They have to send that resource as a mail to you. It's a lengthy process. No, I don't like this much of delay. Directly, I want to talk with you. Direct communication I want to provide. If I give a post, within fraction of second, that post must be available to you as a direct information. For example, I went to the I may go to some other place there. The next day class, morning 7 o'clock class. I'm unable to come to this class. And before 7 o'clock, our admin people are also not available in our office there. Why? Because 7 onwards their working time. But I want to pass some message to you. Today might be I may come to the class a bit delay, or today class is not going to be happen. Just at least I need to give some information there. So direct communication is required. That's why I'm using this Google Classroom app, a separate app I'm using there. Right. For this, one step here is required here. I'll give some directions to try to follow this direction so we are able to get direct communication, right? Please, all of you open your mobile phones for a minute of time. All of you are having soft phone, that means the smartphones, right? Just for a minute of time, open your mobile phones and make ready with internet. Try to open internet also. Okay. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store where search for Classroom. App name is what? Classroom. Go to the Play Store where search for app Classroom. App name is what there? Classroom. Okay. App name is what there? Classroom, or else Google Classroom. Classroom or Google Classroom, both are same. Search for it. Find it, install it. I'll wait 2 minutes of time, just install it. In the Play Store, search for Classroom or Google Classroom. Search for it. Okay. Install it. Just I'll wait 2 minutes of time for you. It may take hardly 2 minutes of time, then less memory only. Don't think too much memory. All right, sir. When we install it, it is asking about like what their Google Classroom code, just or else maybe. Then we may have two options: create class or join class. You may get join class option there. Have you seen that join class option? Okay. Have you find anywhere else join class option? Plus symbol or something else there, we may identify it. What symbol you got there? Plus symbol. Just click on plus symbol. You may get plus symbol after installation of the tab. Plus a symbol. There, select join class option. When you select this join class option, it is asking classroom code. When you select join class option, it is asking what their classroom code. Enter the same classroom code what we have copied. Enter the same classroom code what we have copied previously. Okay. Yes, sir. So just install classroom where click on plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, join classroom option will come. Just try to click on it. There enter this classroom code. Yes, sir. Join classroom code option we are able to get. Yes, complete it. All right, sir. Now there you might be seeing that today might be yesterday night I given some posts. I think all of you might be aware about it, right? All right, or else maybe. See, observe carefully. Just we can close it. Those who installed it, just we can close it. Yes, sir. I think all of you might be installed it and all of you might be joined with that Google Classroom, right? Can I move forward? Can I move forward? Just 1 minute, close the tab. You can close the tab, but maintain that mobile phone. Just you can close the tab. I'll give the importance of this particular one. You can close the tab. Have you closed it? After entering this Google Classroom there, if you enter this, obviously, automatically you're going to join with that class. Just after joining with that class, just close the tab. Okay. All of you closed it? Right. Now say this. If we close this app, just I'm sending one welcome message. They enable your notifications also better. I'm going to give some welcome message there. We can check it whether you have received it or not. All right, sir. Welcome to Durga Shop. Some message can have given, just simple message. Just I have given post. Yeah, from my side I submitted it. Just please check it. Within seconds, within fraction of seconds, you are able to get it. Have you got any notification? Internet connection is required. Yes, sir. No? Just wait. 1 minute of time. Enable notifications for this also. And if you're getting it, notifications. What's it? No classroom is existed. Arey yaar. All of you are getting the same message? No classroom. All of you are getting the same message. Okay. This classroom is full already. Okay, fine. Yeah, don't worry. Just okay. Then the same thing. Don't worry. Then I'll give some other classroom. Then through that we can join with it. Just 1 minute of time. Just give a minute of time. I'll create it. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I'll create separately. Don't worry. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, take this code now, this time. I think that classroom, existed classroom I want to give it. I think so it was full. Now try to take this one. Try to take this one.